along with 2920.
हाँ सेटा कौन तू से नंबर दियो तू नंबर दियो
29209.
You are there?
20.
Yes, yes, I'm there.
so केबे अछि सर
Yeah, but see, record as you. Already
No,
disclosed.
in
Said, but
that
disclosed.
matter, Mala, in that two matters, Mala, there is a direction to approach. There is another two petitioner. This is a separate petitioner, Mala. There is a direction to approach the concerned authority, Mala, to the commissioner. But this matter is no relation.
same order
No, Mala. This matter is actually now the situation is totally different, Mala. On the previous matter, they have suppressed the fact, Mala. Now the same problem has created, Mala, due to that
let
MCC
it
plant.
come on that
Yes, Mala. Let this matter be.
list the matter on 12 plus
Yes, Mala.
12
Obliged.
Item 23, my lord, on behalf of Lingaraj Das, who is suffering.
12 पर है फिर
12
पूर्वରୁ 12
ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହୋଇ ପାରିବନି ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହବନି ପୂର୍ବରୁ 11 ହବ
12 का मुझे आशा
11
11 हो
କଣ 12 କଣ ହେଲା
Yes.
ଝିଅ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଆମର ଝିଅ
बाहर आशा
ଝିଅ ଆସିବ ପୁଅ ଆସିବ
my personal difficulty
ପର୍ସନାଲ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଝିଅ ଆସିବ କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ପର୍ସନାଲ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି କାଇଁ କହିବ ଝିଅ ଆସିବ ଆଉ ଲୋକ ଝିଅ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପୁଅ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
14th, I pray for 14th.
14 happened. 14 I'll be not there. I'll be out of town. 18 as that.
18th.
Okay.
Okay.
Item 23, my lord, on behalf of Lingaraj Das, who is suffering from viral fever, my lord, next week, my lord.
20.
23.
23. Who is the opposite party? Opposite party?
Opposite party appear करना है।
जाने के
के ना है।
जाने तू के ना थी
appear करना है।
हाँ ताल ठीक है। Let's matter on 20th. Next.
I don't know.
Two.
May I please, my lords?
Two.
May I please, my lords? My lords, the petitioners. Can I pray, my lord?
Pasava.
Can I pray it may come up next week, my lords?
Next week as well. Next week. 12 bus.
Grateful.
Next.
3.
3.
May I please, your lordship?
You got that? 1 week. Kick out it. You should don't have any nodal officer there. Yes, you should have immediately. You should have called them. Should have called them. Why WhatsApp? No. This the matter on 11. 11.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. Next.
Great. 4.
4.
May I please? The revision against the confirming judgment of the Land Appellate Court, my lord, 138 of NI Act, my lord, SI for 1 year.
Huh?
SI for 1 year and compensation thereof.
What is the amount we have to pay?
5 lakhs check amount, my lord.
Why don't you pay that amount?
Hello?
Why don't you pay the amount? Have paid that amount?
No, not paid.
You paid it. Paid, I'll hear it after that.
That is the issue.
Take instruction from your client. You paid. I'll decide after that.
Your lordship may some amount.
Some minute. You have to pay the amount. You have to pay the amount. What is the amount, check amount involved?
Check amount, in fact, as per prosecution record, my lord, 5 lakhs.
5 lakh. 5 lakh दे दो. साइंस 5 lakh दे दो तार सुनी. है ना? अब दे दो. लगा land council the petitioner too.
It is संभव होगा टिके.
कौन सा?
छोटे amount अपन.
See, अगर दया कर सकती. पैसा नेबे पैसा फेरे भी अब इतने दया कला वाले तू. हाँ. 5 lakh दियंतु. मु तो 5 lakh कहूची ना. मु 8 lakh कहूनी तो.
मु से पार्टटा कहूची आया.
मु सही पार्टटा 5 lakh ही कहूची. आपण 5 lakh आगे डिपॉजिट करो तापर कथा बा.
इश्यूटा होती 5,000 टंका रे गोटे चेकटा माने नहीं थिले जे माने एज सिक्युरिटी सेते से 5,000 टंका हम देई सर देन देयर आफ्टर
5,000 टंका ना 5 लाख
5,000 टंका
5,000 टंका रे 5 लाख एंती कथा कहउछन
प्रोसिक्यूशन
पाठ पढी रासे तू
मेलो पेज 48 मेलो
हां
पेज 48
5 लाख 5,000 रे 5 लाख देले
नहीं पेज 48 रे कोर्ट लाइन ट्रायल को डाल आल्सो रिकॉर्डेड
सर मु कहउछ पछली हमर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द अमाउंट इन्वॉल्व କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାରେ ଆପଣ ଚେକ୍ ଯୋଉ ଦେଲେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାର ଚେକ୍ ଦେଲେ ଯୋଉଟା କି
ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ଚେକ୍ ଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ ସେ ପକେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାର ଥିଲା
5,000 ଟଙ୍କା
5,000 ନା 5 ଲକ୍ଷ
5,000
5,000 5,000 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ ଆପଣ
5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଥିଲେ ରିପେଡ୍ ଦେନ୍ ଦେୟାର ଆଫ୍ଟର ସେ ଚେକ୍ ଟା ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ହିସାବରେ ଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ ପକେଇକି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅଲସୋ ରେକର୍ଡେଡ୍
କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ଚେକ୍ ଟା
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ମେସନ୍ ଏଇଟା ମିସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ରାଜମିସ୍ତ୍ରୀ
ହଁ
ପଇସା ନେଇଥିଲି ଇନଫର୍ମେଟ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ପାଖରୁ
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଥିଲେ
5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଥିଲି
5,000 ଟଙ୍କା 5 ଲାખ କେମିତି ହେଲା?
ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଚେକ୍ ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲି
ହଁ
पेमेंट दे कर देसी देन देयर आफ्टर
Like, why are you confusing me? I'm not, I mean, yet to understand why 5 lakh. We are saying 5,000, 5,000. Why? How come that 5 lakh came? That you answer me. You're just simply saying 5,000.
was issued
हाँ
as a security
सर बैंक चाहिए तो आपने कंसिडरेशन अमाउंट कौन पाएंगे तो पे करती है
no पैसा नहीं थी काम
कितने पैसा नहीं थी
5,000 that is for page 48 में तो मैं
so on what basis then he are asking for 5 lakh sir a person taking 5,000 how can a other person ask
सिक्युरिटी दिला 5 लाख पके देगी तो मैं तो एक
you are misleading sir something misleading empty हुए नहीं
पेज 48
आमे एते चंद्रमा रो आसिले जानी परिबनी आपण misleading कथा you are misleading something
that is the record
no not on record how can 5,000 rupees person will go and say claim 5 lakh rupees this is something unbelievable
actually the prosecution record shows that 5 lakh was the check amount and
okay admit करो अब 5 अपन चेक फाइनल हियरिंग रख दिया हला फाइनल हियरिंग खत्म करी आउ ए सब नहीं फाइनल हियरिंग रख एलसीआर मारो आउ ये देखिबा केते 5 लाख जदी 5 लाख रॉन्ग सबमिशन थिबो ताले मु तो हे अमाउंट आर बढ़े देबी 8 लाख देजी ना 18 लाख कर देबी तापर सेता डोंट ब्लेम मी टेल your client to give proper instruction and you also get proper instruction 5,000 कोन 5,000 को चेक दे 5 लाख रो केमती क्लेम करियो बिलीवेबल on what basis somebody will 5 lakh 5,000 check दबा 5 lakh will claim करियो आपण को केमती करियो किसी से प्रूफ देखेबा ना on what basis the proof you have to show the proof अदो ट्रायल कोर्ट एते दे बोका न 5,000 को 5 lakh दे दिला आपण that is not your case sir that is not your case sorry that is not your case please explain me in detail internal page 8
Milo
I don't believe can they empty करियो एते तो ट्रायल कोर्ट तो एते बोका न
से कौन की से ब्लैक चेक
in the present case the defense has taken a plea that he has taken 5,000 rupees from the complainant and during taking loan he had a blank check he had given a blank check to the complainant for security purpose which has been subsequently misutilized in this case
but security purpose पाई देथिला that can't be ता तळको आसो
further the cross examination of the complainant also shows that the defense has given suggestion to the complainant that 4,50,000 had already been repaid by the accused to the complainant and only 50,000 is due to him which is also shown that the defense had admitted the case
आपण जते बुलो राउंड राउंड करी पड़ी गया बोल करी पूरा भल फाइल पड़ी गया लगे फाइनल हियरिंग लगा 20th फाइनल हियरिंग नथिंग बेल फिनिंग नो फाइनल हियरिंग पे रेडी होंगे ओके इशू नोटिस टू द कंप्लेनेंट ओके बेल ओके बेल ग्रांटेड फाइनल हियरिंग पे से न आसीबे फाइनल हियरिंग देबी बेल कैंसिल करी
एज योर लॉर्ड
तापर ऑर्डर देबी जो रेस्ट करो हला प्रिपेयर हे आसीबे आउ भल फाइल पड़ी गया
लॉर्ड इज ग्रांटिंग बेल
किसी जिनस कॉमन सेंस वाली भी कथाडे अछि कॉमन लकीली आई हैव गुड कॉमन सेंस आई
वी हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम माय लॉर्ड्स
हां तो एते कॉमन सेंस तो गुडे आगो में कॉमन सेंस यूज करे लॉ कांट बी बियॉन्ड कॉमन सेंस फर्स्ट कॉमन सेंस तापर लॉ आपण माने आगो लॉ तापर कॉमन सेंस को जान दैट्स प्रॉब्लम नेक्स्ट
Hi.
May I please address? In this matter, let's see. Already I have deposited the entire amount at page 65 under
this is item 5 no?
already I have deposited the entire amount 1,18,50,000.
You have deposited the
entire amounts, but original title deed they have not released and this is the
Let us
entire
have a
case.
copy of the petition because there are two proceedings pending before the DRT. One is original application and
जो पैसा जण दे देला
Right.
DRT से प्रोसीडिंग आप कर दी
there is something due, my lord.
କେତେ due something ମାନେ କେତେ?
Well, so far as my instruction is concerned, now my lord, about 30 lakhs is due. Statement of account is with me, my lord. And so far is their submission, yeah, 1 crore 18 lakh pursuant direction of the DRT.
180.
1 crore 18 lakhs 50,000 on the day of auction,
Yes.
I have deposited.
Yes.
But after that,
You
They
are the third, you are the auction purchaser.
I am
No,
the,
borrower.
I am the borrower, I am the
Loanee.
owner,
You are the loanee.
I am the owner, I am everything. No other auction purchaser was not there.
Okay.
So I was the only.
So you paid back.
Yes, entire
You
amount,
refunded money, the money.
entire amount I have paid,
Okay.
but they have not released the original title deed.
Just a minute. Entire amount of the auction amount
Yes.
or your this
No,
thing?
previous dues I have
No,
already.
no,
deposited.
just a minute, madam. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତ ୱାଟ ଏଭର ଆପଣ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଡ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଦେବେ ଅକ୍ସନ ପରଚେଜର ଯଦି ଦେବ ସେଟା ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ବଲଗେମ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା
so
Yes.
since you are there to because no auction purchaser was available
yes
you are there to pay the auction amount
yes
that means that's not sufficient amount you have to pay the extra amount also
But they
whatever
have-
amount due
if they have anything due towards me, then they can say they can.
Yes.
do one thing
Yes.
whatever amount due just intimate her
Aye.
come with your instruction
Yes.
I'll
Yes,
solve here
Let
Yes,
us survey a copy of the report.
I'll give you a
But,
copy
but now you let's say, but Annexure 25, they have issued that they will take possession from me.
Just
So
till
that's
the next
happening.
date, they will not, they are restrained from taking any
Okay.
position, okay?
Okay.
Where is the IA? Like, learn concept of the petitioner, submit that. She had, sorry, the petitioner has paid 1,18,50,000. Sorry, I'm so sorry, 1,18,50,000. They have written it, the entire auction amount.
Yes.
So auction
Yes,
amount is not
that
sufficient.
auction-
The entire auction amount fixed by the bank. However, the concept of the bank submits that the petitioner has only paid the auction amount and the rest of the amount has not yet been paid. Hence, the concept of the bank is directed to take instruction on the amount overdue, which is to be paid by the petitioner. Accordingly, fix the matter on
Next week, you will see.
11th coach.
Yes.
Quick, finish
Yes,
କରିଦେଲା ଭଲ।
yes, yes, sir.
11th
By that
ଆପଣ
time,
instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
yes.
କେତେ amount ତାପରେ ଯଦି ସେ amount they will you also take instruction
Yes,
whatever
yes.
amount roughly କେତେ ହେବ
around 30 lakhs.
Whatever
instruction
he
ହଁ, ଠିକ
saying-
ଅଛି, ଆପଣ instruction ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
I-
because you have paid only the auction amount
Yes,
that is
yes.
not the entire amount
No, no.
okay so that's why they are
I-
claiming more
I-
yeah next
Till then, you let's see.
No, such
till then no
My-
coercive action
My
against
submission may kindly record.
till the next date
Yes, my submission may be recorded that by that time no course action will be taken.
well learn concept of the send like that
Yes.
I rakhi decha
Yes.
Your
learn
lordship's
concept of the
order
bank,
is sufficient.
on the submission of learn concept of the bank the sorry learn concept of the bank submit that there shall not be any coercive action till the next date of hearing. That's protect.
Oh, bless. Yes. yes.
List number 11. Next.
Oh, bless.
Six.
To unfreeze the account of the petitioner.
Sorry?
To unfreeze the account of the petitioner.
Unfreeze and defreeze. Wrong English. Defreeze. Freeze, defreeze. Hala?
The petitioner is the cousin sister of one of the accused.
Sorry?
The petitioner is the cousin sister of one of the accused.
Cousin of one of the accused.
Cousin sister of one of
What is the what is the offense attributed to the accused?
419, 420, 468, 120B.
ସବୁ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ବାକି ରହିଲା ଏଣ୍ଟାର ସମାଜରେ ଯେତେ କ୍ରାଇମ ହୁଏ ସବୁ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦେଲେ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ କ୍ରାଇମ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ସେ ସେକ୍ସନ ମାନେ ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ମତେ ସେ ସେକ୍ସନ ମାନେ ଟିକେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Pura line.
ଫାଇଲ ପଢିଲେ ତ ସେ ସେକ୍ସନ ଆଗ ବୁଝିବାର ଥିଲା ନା ନାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରି ଆଇଲ ସେ ସେକ୍ସନ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ପେନସିଲ ଲେଖି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତ ଏରୋ କରିକି ଫରୱାର୍ଡ from beginning so 420 ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ନୂଆ କଥା ନୁହେଁ ବାକି ସେକ୍ସନ କୁହ
419.
ହଁ 419 କ'ଣ
Punishment for sitting by impersonation.
ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ସନେସନ ସେଟା ବି ଅଛି ବା ତାପରେ
How it is 420.
420, yeah? Everybody knows. Start there. Now next.
460 to forgery with intent.
Huh?
Forgery.
What?
Forgery with intention.
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଲାଜ କାହିଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ଥୋଡି କ୍ରାଇମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? You're a lawyer, you're representing your client. Please.
120 B criminal punishment for criminal.
Conspiracy. Okay. How? So, okay. So, you are the cousin.
Cousin sister.
ED keda? Who has written the letter to the police?
Pulkit Kumar.
No. Police, which police? ED has requested the bank or the police? Who has requested bank to freezing by the request?
Police.
Kuda.
Similar matter, Mr. Mahapatra is there. He's a busy.
I may pardon your lordship.
Okay.
I may pardon your lordship.
So, you are junior?
Yes.
Mr. Mahabhadra. Mr. Mahabhadra, you are not giving proper training to your junior.
I'm sorry, your lordship.
She's feeling
Your
shy.
lordship, the similar matters are your lordship posted on 11. So I pray your lordship kindly taken on that day, your lordship, 11th.
11. On the request of Lana Concept. But you will argue, eh?
Again?
Argue nije karibo. Argue करले जी free होती है। एमती तुम्हें feel hesitant रहने free होनी। बोलते जाओ, कुछ भी बोलो। Don't worry. And you are in a very comfortable court. Don't worry. When you argue wrongly, I'll rectify.
I have already instructed to her.
You
Your lordship.
Your lordship had passed order in a previous case.
I have passed on many orders. But question is, you have to find out what kind of offense, whether money trailing is there or not. I have to check that. No? So let's examine together. 11 Ras. 11?
11th.
Okay,
your
let it
lordship.
come on 11. Okay.
7.
All matters are your lordship fixed on 11th.
Okay, let it fix.
7.
So number ta de dele se ekase number ta achi
7 also.
7 भी सेम सेटा एटा 7 अब से जो 11th अछि तार ये लीड पिटिशन नंबर गुटे देबो ना मु सेतरे जोड़ देबा गिव दैट ओके नेक्स्ट 8
Deep
If I am
law
to
applies,
pardon
deep
your
law.
lordship, I am appearing to VC. Item 8, your lordship, is the assignment of Justice BP Rautrai, your lordship. It is with regards to issuance of trade license by the
Sorry?
municipality. It is the assignment of Justice BP Rautrai, your
What is
lordship.
the issue?
The issue is with regards to rejection of application for renewal of trade license by the municipality.
Trade license.
Again.
Trade license होने जाओ I don't know what is the license. Trade license. हमर दुकान license अछि medicine दुकान
Again. Drugs and cosmetics.
एटा कौन ट्रेड है की ट्रेड
It is a trade license under the municipality
अरे भाई
corporation.
की ट्रेड
Trade
You're not
of,
telling the subject matter of the trade कौन कहूना trade license
trade medicine.
medicine trade आउ
Medicine dukan.
No, I'll check it. एटे आम इधर अछि medicine ମାନେ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ପଳେଇବ ଭାବୁଛୁ କି ଖସେଇ ପାରିବନି
No, your lordship, just in the bench composition, the
बिल्कुल
item
bench composition
number
ठीक
1 of Justice
अछि
BP Rao
I am
is
deciding not
trade
you are
license.
you can't decide bench composition
I'm just
perfect
bringing
bench.
that fact to the knowledge of
perfect
the
bench you'll on that day will see the medicine trade license कौन medicine shops and establishment सब तो आसी medicine आसी फिर trade license
No, your lordship, it is under the trade license under the Municipality Corporation Act. I argue in
we are dealing with that
another matter
shops and
before your
establishment
lordship.
municipality रो
in
हो
under-
कि आउ कार रही तू we'll see that okay केबे दरकार को केबे
Your lordship, any day next week.
any day okay 11th रस देखियो argument कर साला पर देखियो whether it belongs to this bench or some other bench
9.
9
But continuing as Asa and as well as holding the post of Sarpanch is not disqualified, is not disqualification.
Asa and Sarpanch
BSR. Asa is not a holder of civil post.
we told you.
I'm a सरपंच as well as Asa.
ଆପଣ ଆଶା ବି ହେବେ ସରପଞ୍ଚ ବି ହେବେ ଆଶାକୁ ହଁ
There is no disqualification.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
Sarpanch only so section 25 of the GP Act said
ହଁ
the office of profit যদি hold করুথিবে তাহলে
ଆଶାରେ ତ ମାଗଣା କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
না এটা তো honorary work টা না
Honorary-
volunteer work টা honorary work only 150 ଟଙ୍କା ଯଦି ଯୋଉ ସମୟ କାମ ମିଳିଲା
ଆଶାର ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କଣ କହୁଛି
ଆଶା ଆଶା କରିବି ପରା
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥାଟା ମାନନ୍ତୁ ଆଶା ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କଣ କହୁଛି
ଆଶା ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ସେଭଳି କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଧରିକି ଏଟା କରିପାରିବେ ବୋଲି କହୁଛି
କରିପାରିବେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
ସରପଞ୍ଚ ଇଜ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁଶନାଲ ପୋଷ୍ଟ
ସରପଞ୍ଚ ଇଏ ହଁ
ସରପଞ୍ଚ ଇଜ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁଶନାଲ ପୋଷ୍ଟ
ହଁ।
ରାଇଟ
statutory no there is no such disqualification
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ମାନେ ମନେ ମନେ କହିବା ନା କିଏ ମୁଁ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବି ଆପଣ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ କାହିଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆପଣ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନୋ 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 ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ କରିବିନି ଏକ୍ସାମିନ କରିବା ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ମୋର ନା ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ନୋ ନୋ କରିଦେଲେ କେମିତି ହେଇଯିବ ସବୁ ମୂଳରୁ କିଛି ତ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ କରିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଠିକ
କଣ ୱାନ୍ ୱେ ଡେମୋକ୍ରେସି ଚଲେଇଲେଣି ଆପଣ
no no sorry
ଆମ ଦେଶରେ ଡେମୋକ୍ରେସି ଯେମିତି ଚାଲିଲାଣି ଏମିତି ହେଲେ ତ ବଡ଼ ଅସୁବିଧା ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ସରପଞ୍ଚ ପୁଣି ଏମିତି ଡେମୋକ୍ରେସି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଭିଲେଜରେ ତାହେଲେ କାହା କଥା ଶୁଣୁନଥିବେ ଆପଣ always hear the opposition also opposition has very important role in the democracy ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି opposition ହଁ ଆପଣ opposition କୁହନ୍ତୁ prayer
Which order he is challenging is not mentioned here. মানে on antecedent he came to this honorable court with a prayer that no coercive actions are
so
to be taken.
yes is right
yes
which order are you challenging
no, I'm not challenging
so
any
then if you are not challenging anything then go back
No,
go
my
back
lord.
home
Premature one.
Because my lord-
Premature.
नहीं नहीं କୋଉ ବେସିସ୍ ରେ ଆପଣ କାହାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
my lord they have pressurized me to remove from the
ମୁଁ
post.
ପ୍ରେସରାଇଜେସନ ମୁଁ ତ କୋର୍ଟ
Therefore, I'm highly
ଆଜ୍ଞା
regretful.
ପ୍ରେସରାଇଜ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋ ବେକରେ ଖଣ୍ଡା ରଖିଲେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆଇଲି ବୋଲେ ହବ
My lord, because of the said pressurization, I have filed a representation to the medical officer,
ହୁଁ
and that representation is still pending.
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ମୁଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ବସିନି ଏଠି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଡିସପୋଜାଲ ପାଇଁ ବସିନି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅନନେସେସରି କୋର୍ଟକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିକି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲେ କର ଟିକେ ପେସେନ୍ସ କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଏବେ
କେବେ
16/11 ମାନେ
16/11 ଦେଲେ ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆପଣ ମାସେ ତ ଟାଇମ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କମ ସେ କମ ଆଜି ମାତ୍ର 4 ତାରିଖ ହେଇଛି ମାସେ ତ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ତଳ ବଢିକି ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖ ତାର ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିଲେ କୋଉଟା ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଖିଲେ ମତେ
representation page 12 Article 3
ଏଇଟା ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଏଇଟା
Communication is not there.
ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ କମିଶନ କାଇଁ
no
ଆରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କାଇଁ ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ କି ରିସିପ୍ଟ କିଛି ଥିବ
ସେ
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଅଫିସରେ ବନାଇଛି
ଅଫିସରେ
ବନିଛି ତ
Yes, submit
ମୁଁ
it.
କହୁଛି ବନିଛି ଅଫିସରେ
my lord I'm not I can
ୟେସ୍ ଏଇଟା ଅଫିସରେ ବନିଛି
no my lord
ବିଲକୁଲ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଅଫିସରେ ବନିଛି ପୁରା
hand to hand ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି my lord
ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ତ କିଛି ତ ଥାନ୍ତା ଛାପା ଥାନ୍ତା ରିସିପ୍ଟ ଥାନ୍ତା କିଛି ଥାନ୍ତା
ରିସିପ୍ଟ ଟା ମୁଁ WhatsApp ରେ ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି ରିସିପ୍ଟ
ଆପଣ ସେମିତି ହବନି ଆପଣ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଦେଇଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖ if the petitioner has any grievance before the authority the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the authority with a representation and the authority shall consider within 1 month from the date of presentation of this the petition dispose of yeah next
10,
representation पे कोर्ट को पड़े आइछन छाड़
item 10.
कजवेक्शन तो हुए रे तार आसीबे बिना कजवेक्शन कोर्ट पड़े आछदी नई न देखलु लंगड़ा और कम से कम टिके तो क्लाइंट को भलो एडवाइस दियंतु एडवाइस देबेनी पैसा मिलिबो काई एडवाइस देबे आपण भलो एडवाइस दियंतु क्लाइंट को लोक आपण बहुत दौड़िबे भलो एडवोकेट करिवे रॉन्ग एडवाइस देबे के आसीबे नेक्स्ट
10 matter, my lord, that is non-recovery of EMI, the Gramya Bank matter. The other matters shall receive as fixed to 12.
12 ए सब गुटे दिन फिक्स कर दे
ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଲେଟ୍ ରେ ଆସୁ କାହିଁକି ନା ନୋଟିସ ଗୁରା ଯିବ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି
प्राइवेट में
हाँ
ओके इशू नोटिस
1 and 2 the state I will serve copy
सिमिलर मैटर्स आर लिस्टेड ऑन
12 तारीख 12 December
12 December 12 2023 अच्छी नंबर अच्छी तरह तो बैच नंबर अच्छी बैच रे गुटे कोडा पिटिशन
I will come
दे दे तो एका संग गुटे बैच रे पळास ओके नेक्स्ट
obligation requisite private opposite
14.
filed
private opposite 4 to 6 3 to 6 obligation
next
14.
14
Please, your lordship.
কারণ এই কেস তো বুঝলে এটা সব জায়গা ফিক্স করে নেক্সট লাস্ট উইক the some of the batch cases were there Mr. Misra was admin my lord chief Mr. Misra 24 27 Misra matter this to January 11
January 11. Let it come on January 11.
Batch of cases.
Enter by let's let it Dhananjay Charan De.
Already my lord, government implemented the order of the.
ठीक है आपण भी हबो where examine करिवे आपण को भी हबो काई व्यस्त आपण government दउछि बने आपण भी देबो but they have to verify whether you are actually falling under that category of
Another fancy television.
sir टिके रखा तो एते जे रहले ना 10 15 दिन कोन गुटे बैच अछि सरदा गुटे बैच
15. May I please your lordship, same.
Yes. 17. 17? नहीं
17.
ये ना थी 18 18 में जुड़े दोस्तों हाँ 17 yes
My learned senior was there, my lord.
oh you need senior why you
No, my learned senior appearing for the petitioner was there, my
oh,
lord.
I think you have senior somebody leading you
My lord, Mr. Roy is my senior, my lord.
what you always argue independently
Yes, my lord, my senior.
okay so opposite side who is there
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, he was just outside. We had just spoken, my lord. All the three matters have become infructuous because there are 24 loan accounts, out of which 22 have already been settled, and there are 2 loan
let him
accounts.
come let him come I'm just passing it over to
Yes,
2 p.m.
As your lordship.
2 p.m.
As your
You
lordship.
call him at 2 p.m. Okay. Next. 18. Oh, sorry. Haan, 18. 19.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, the present petitioner has challenged the action of the opposite parties, your lordship, on the ground that he has been removed from his post of general secretary of the trade union in question.
Trade union.
Yes, your lordship.
What is the trade union?
Your lordship, lordship may refer to page number 4, your lordship.
NESCO Power Employees Union.
Yes, your lordship.
So you are?
I was serving as the general secretary, your lordship.
For how many years you have served?
Your lordship, I was selected on 4/6/2023.
Elected or elected?
Elected, your lordship. I may be pardoned. Elected.
Use the right word.
Yes, your lordship.
Sleep of word will cause a lot of problem.
Yes, your lordship. I already.
An election are different.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, so you are elected when
On the strength of a resolution dated 4/6/2023, your lordship. The previous general secretary,
on the strength of resolution means
a resolution was passed in the
you're not elected.
in that resolution I was elected, your lordship.
Okay.
An executive meeting was conducted. In that meeting, I was elected as the general secretary, your
Okay.
lordship. I was continuing from 4/6/2023, your lordship.
4/6.
Yes, your lordship. 4/6/2023.
What is the tenure?
Your lordship, that is for 1 year.
1 year.
That is there in the resolution also. I was supposed to continue my term for 1 year.
So another till June, till next
Till
year.
another general
24th,
body meeting would have been conducted, your lordship.
24.
Yes, your lordship.
So what happened?
In the meantime, the president of the union, who has no power to even call an emergency executive body meeting, he has called a meeting and he has the right method would have been electing another person, your lordship. However, they have submitted a notice to the CEO TPNODL that they have selected another person as the general secretary, and I have been
So
removed
another
from my post.
person was it by, through the vote?
Your lordship,
The selection was done through voting.
your lordship, the resolution, the notice,
So there was a general body meeting.
that
They decided to change you.
that was not a general body meeting, your
What
lordship.
kind of
That was an executive body meeting. That is at Annex 3, your lordship.
So executive body meeting cannot remove.
No, your lordship.
Should
Cannot
be
be.
general body.
It should be general body meeting. And moreover, your lordship, the bylaws specifically mention that in case of any kind of removal, your lordship, the said person who is being removed is to be given a notice to explain himself, your
So
lordship.
they have not given you
No,
notice. Okay,
nothing.
take a
I
notice.
was not even
Petitioner-
noticed.
The petitioner challenges the illegal removal of so the petitioner is was serving as a general secretary of NASCO Power Employees Union with effect from 3/11/2023.
Your lordship, 4/6.
You have written to the 3/11/2023.
That is, they have written, your lordship. We have not written. That opposite party number 6, who is the new.
So you are saying that's from which date?
4/6/2000.
4/6/2023.
Yes, your lordship. That is at Annex 1.
However, by calling him, executive
Yes, Your Lordship.
emergent executive meeting is sorry, what is that called? What is that meeting?
In which the present petitioner was, that was removed, Your Lordship. That was an executive body meeting.
Emergent executive body meeting, wherein the petitioner was removed from the said post without giving him an opportunity of hearing, nor was he removed nor was he served any notice before removal. Hence, the petitioner is aggrieved by the action of the opposite parties and constrained to approach this court. Okay. Issue notice to OP number
456.
456 123K.
Yes, Your Lordship. One is the appropriate authority, Your Lordship. Yes.
All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Requisite may be filed within 3 working days today. Okay. What is the IA?
Your Lordship, IA is any action that has been taken in.
You are out of
furtherance
the
election.
post. What can be? So it can't be. You can't be reinstated there.
Yes, Your Lordship. Unless
So
the disposal of this case. Your Lordship. Your Lordship, any action that is taken in furtherance of his selection may be harmful to the.
Let them come now.
Yeah.
Now nothing can be done.
Your Lordship.
Already the clock is already
Out of the.
can't reverse the clock. So let them come. We'll see that. If it is illegal, then we'll, okay, that order can be squashed. But for that, I have to hear the opposite party. Otherwise, you'll say they will say I was not heard. Okay. Next.
Much obliged. Your
List the
Lordship.
matter on 20th.
Much obliged. Your Lordship.
Item 17 that has already been set to permit to withdraw.
17?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Learn concept of the petitioner. Submits that the accounts with the bank has already been settled. Hence, no cause of action survives anymore. Accordingly, the writ petition disposed of.
My lord, my appearance, my lord.
I forgot your name. Subhranshu.
Sahasranshu Saurav, my lord.
Sahasranshu.
More objection.
और रिसर्च करके नाड़ा ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଧେ ତମ parents ନେଟ ରେ ଖୋଜୁଥିଲେ
My lord, I ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମତେ ଯାହା କୁହା ହୁଏ
oh my god
ତ ମତେ ଆଉ ମନେ ନାହିଁ I
I always forget your name
ଆଜ୍ଞା
sorry
no my lord.
Nice.
My lord, all the three matters, my lord.
all the three 20
My lord, last occasion, my lord, had taken time to get instruction,
sorry
to obtain instruction. my lord.
instruction okay what is the instruction you have obtained sir day after tomorrow
Last, tomorrow is the last date of submission of application form.
Cancel. No, no advertisement, the cancel.
Actually,
Yeah, they could have 2018 no selection, the 10 no selection in that. So the DW is the DW dismissal. Dismissal ପରେ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏଟାକୁ ପୁରୁଣା ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ବିଷୟରେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଟା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ମାନେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିବା ଦରକାର ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 4 ତାରିଖ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 4 this year ସି କଲେକ୍ଟର ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ମାସରେ ସବ କଲେକ୍ଟର being the chairman of the selection committee passed the order for go for fresh selection in between this order has been in the process of the software cancel कर दीजिए most probably this fellow will
got it okay ठीक है
तो
take wait करंतु the wind is in your favor now blowing in towards you
My respectful submission is,
sir I'll
till
submit
tomorrow
करंतु.
that advertisement may
Sir,
kindly
wind
listed.
is flowing towards you. Winds are coming. Where are you stopping the wind?
Obliged, my lord. Since 12 years, a poor lady is
Oh,
established.
Allah, Allah.
That is how I am submitting.
There
it.
is a problem of staying ना. I think stay में shortcut stay दिया. लंबा stay तो ये problem है. Stay नहीं गला पर आओ matter उठी बनी 10 वर्ष.
Contempt ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଜି କି list ପାଇଁ ଉଠି ନାହିଁ ଆଜି।
तो गला ये आपने देले contempt कौन भाई? आपने चाकरी पाइबे चुपचाप जीबे कौन contempt कौन कल कौन मिले? କିଛି ମିଳିବନି କଣ ତୁମର କେମିତି ହବ
My lord.
8 ରେ ଆସୁ 8 ରେ ଆସୁ ହେଲା ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
For order side on 21.
21
Yes.
here
The petitioner before your lordship, the proprietor of a medical store, and running inside that medical college, CSC Medical College Hospital in campus at Junagadh in the district of Kalahandi since
CSC,
2007.
which medical college?
My lord, Junagadh, that CSC, Community Health Center, Junagadh,
Oh, community.
under the CDM of Kalahandi.
Okay.
And your lordship, see, Annexure 1 series,
What is the problem?
they are not extending the license period. You also see, I am continuing since
They're not
1997.
extending you are in the campus of that hospital.
Yes, yes, my lord.
They have a new policy for that.
No, that is
For
why
those for all those the medical stores inside the campus of hospitals, they have a new policy.
yes.
So
So let
according
state
to-
is yet to
according
file
to
a
the
counter.
policy,
Let
you
the
have
state to take instruction. I am not on the way. And number of similar matters have been pending adjudication. And while the interim order is in force, the matter is
କେବେ ଅଛି
subject.
ସବୁ? ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ-
I've got the number, but date.
Can you give the number?
Yes,
ଗୋଟେ
I'll
ଦିନ
give.
ଲଗେଇକି ସାରିଦବା?
Yes, I'll give the number, my lord.
ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଲଗେଇକି ସାରିଦବା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ରଖିଯିବ? Let them there should be some quietus to
This particular case, now the government is reforming that hospital.
I understand that.
So this building need to be demolished for construction of.
Correct. So that then you do one thing.
And there is no stay order also in this.
No stage there since 2018.
1 year ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା।
ସେ ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଘଟ ଦେବି ସାର୍ ସେ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା?
You'll also see-
ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଅଥରିଟି ଭାଙ୍ଗିକିରି ତାକୁ
You'll also
କରିବା
see-
ପାଇଁ
you'll
ଆପଣ
also fix it next week any day. I'm giving the
ନାଇଁ,
connected.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ।
I'm giving the connected number.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ମିନିଟ୍
Yeah.
ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ ଭିତରେ ଏବେ ସବୁ କଣ ମୋ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଆଜିକାଲି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲାଣି ସବୁ ଭଙ୍ଗା ରୁଜା କରିକି ନୂଆକିରି କରିବେ
Yeah.
ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ରଖିବେ ସାର୍?
Our date, you'll also fix up another date.
Ah.
I'm giving the connected number. You'll also can hire and dispose of the matter. In the meantime, I filed the I-19002 of 2003. You'll also see at 25/11/2023.
your stage continuing
Yeah, it was last extended on 18/1/2018.
18
1/2018.
ତାପରେ 6 ମାସ
ତାପରେ
ପଳେଇଲାଣି
Yeah.
Asian Resource now
Yes,
is
I'm-
under
I'm
review.
aware-
No,
I'm aware of this.
that is now under
I'm
review.
aware of them. On 25/11.
In fact, to be very frank, that is a wrong judgment. Even I am openly saying that.
So you'll also fix up a
In-
date.
in
I'm not on
case
the
of
will
some
also fix up a
civil
date.
cases,
On
civil
the date,
cases, that's
connect, I'm
fine.
giving the connected number.
In that case, I have done the paragraph regarding pending trial and hearing of the suit and criminal.
Hmm.
Now they are applying it to the execution case.
No.
Yes, yes, in all cases. Yes.
That is wrong actually. Anyway, that will be Supreme Court is now reconsidering
Yes,
it.
yes. Well, I filed.
larger bank-
You'll also
bank
fix up a
decide.
date. I'm not on the way. Fix up a date. Till then, you'll also see on 26/11, I have been issued with notice by the CDMO. Till then, I will be protected because I'm continuing since 9.
But ମୁଁ ସତ କଥା କହିବି
Yeah.
ସେଟା କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କରୁଥିବେ କଣ ସବୁ
Let's
7-8 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିବ
let the
ତାଠୁ
state
ଅଧିକ
to take instruction. I'm not on the way.
one way
Any construction work.
sir you are not on the way ସବୁ ତ way ରେ ଆଇଲେ ଆଉ on the way କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ you are always coming on the way
Proposal ଥିବ, I have no.
you are coming on the way in the way no on the way
I will also protect me, fix up a date. On that date, state can obtain instruction and you also can dispose of the matter.
let's do one thing you take instruction ସବୁ matter ଗୋଟେ ଥର ସରିଗଲେ ଗଲା since you have a policy na
Yes.
hospital ଭିତରେ ଯେତେ medicine stores you have a policy so for that policy let's get the policy take instruction and finally we'll just
I'm pretty tired to go to that case.
okay so case ର number ଟିକେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Yes, I have given, my lord.
give it that
Yes, my lord.
okay issue notice
No, it is notice. Is there
issue.
stated, sir.
Okay.
Page 4 number of read person number.
Anyway, ठीक है, let the matter be listed along with
That 11246.
1-1.
I'm giving them, giving the number.
Give straight.
I am page 4 is the matter out of the issue number is there.
Page 4 रे?
Page 4 re apno
Page 4
the-
ଅଛି.
page 4 I've given the number of read petition which is pending subject.
Blank है, इधर से लिख दो बस. And list the matter on 20th ରେ final hearing में रखिए.
WPC number.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେ ନମ୍ବର ସବୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମୁନ୍
ମୋ ପାଖେ 71 ଟା case ଅଛି।
ଆଉ ସବୁ 71 ରେ ସବୁ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ସାରଦା ସବୁ ଖତମ
ସେ ଗୋଟେ case ଦେଲେ ସବୁ case ଆସିଯିବ।
20th ରେ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ 71 ଜାଗା କେସ୍ ଆସୁ 20th ରେ ଗୋଟେ
71 40 others 40 total 101
ହଁ ହଉ ବଢିଆ
111
the more is merrier
WPC
ସରିଯିବ ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଖତମ
167
ଅଧା ଖାଲି ହେଇଯିବ
16
1670 for 2070.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜ
I'll,
ଲେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
I'll note down.
କାଗଜ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ
Total listed.
so let it be listed on 20th for final hearing
Yes.
ମୁଁ ମଝି weekରେ ରଖୁଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ
Till then,
batches
your
spill over till then the petitioner what is the stage of that hospital work
That has been declared.
declare na okay ठीक है till that time it's the petition no coercive action ठीक है we are protected till that not
I'm protected since 2018, man.
ये wrong protection sir ମୋ ପାଖରେ ନଥିଲା ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏତେ protection ଦେଇ ନଥିଲି ହପ୍ତାରୁ
Time
ଅଧିକ
and again, increment has been extended. There is provision
ସାର ତ ଦେବ protection ଦେଇକିନି ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ ପଡିଥିବ
by
କଣ
the
ପାଇଁ? ଆଉ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
Health and Family Welfare
ପଲିସି
Department.
ତାର
There is
କିଛି
provision
implement
for
କରିବନି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ କିଛି implement କରିବନି policy ସେ
that. Time and again, it is being.
ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କୁ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି modernization that is also for the benefit of the public
that
ନା
is there.
so ଗୋଟେ medicine store ପାଇଁ କିଛି କାମ ହେଇପାରିବନି ଏଟା କି କଥା that should be for public good it should not come in the way
ସବୁ medicine store gates or ଲାଗିକି ସବୁ ଜାଗା medicine
I know sir I have not come from
entry point.
yeah I know entry point ବଢିଆ ସେଟା ବିକ୍ରି ହୁଏ ନା ବିକ୍ରି ହବ ତାପରେ ସେଠି
Doctor
ଆଉ
setting prescription. Oblige.
କରିଦବ ତାକୁ
May I please?
Yes.
This is for a clarification of order dated 24 August 2023. And the
what is the order
order 24
what is that order
order to reinstate the disengagement order is quashed.
There's the proceeding that was passed. Proceeding was passed, but in the
ସେ order last order ଟା କଣ
last order,
Page
24/8/23.
24/23.
24/8/23
ସେ ତୁମ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଯୋଉ 36 paragraph
36.
just 24/8/23 हाँ
in the light of aforesaid discussion and having regard to the present position of law, this court hereby quashes the impugned order of the disengagement dated at
so they have not taken any action against
ସେ ନଉନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ଏ ତଳଟା ଲେଖା the opposite parties are hereby directed in the event ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା directed to reconduct the disciplinary proceeding.
ହଁ disengagement କୁ ଅଟକେଇ କରି reconduct କରାଇବେ
ସେ reconduct କରିବେ ଯଦି ସେଟା ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ତ ହେଲା ତେବେ ଆମେ କଣ କରିବୁ
ଆପଣ ଏତିକି ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ନା ଅଫିସର ଆପଣ ଆଣ୍ଠୁରେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ନା ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି
ସିଏ ସେଇଟା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ତାଙ୍କ paragraph 4 ରେ
ନାଇଁ disengagement ଟାକୁ ଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରୁଥିବେ ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ ବୋଲି ସେ ତାକୁ ବାହାର କରି ଦେଇଥିବେ ନା କଣ ଚାଲୁଥାଉ
ହଁ
ତାପରେ ଆପଣ reconduct କଲେ ଯଦି ସେ ପାଇଲେ କିଛି
କ୍ୱାସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା
what is wrong in it
no your lordship
I have just given both ways I have tried to balance it
balance
problem
it's okay
ଯେହେତୁ
What ଯେହେତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ ବାହାର କଲା ପରେ reconduct କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବ ତାପରେ reconduct ସେ ଥାଇକି reconduct କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବନି अब reconduct of disciplinary proceedings से ଥାଇକି ବି କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବ ନା ନାହିଁ
on the ground of violation of natural justice you can provide the
ଏଥିରେ confusion କଣ ଅଛି
lords may direct the collector to conclude the disciplinary procedure within a period of 1 month. That will
that is
suffice.
something different
That will suffice.
6 ବର୍ଷ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ସରିବ କଣ ସାରି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପରା
ଆପଣ କଲେନି କଣ ମୁଁ କାଇଁ direction
Since lordship has observed that
He has no
କିଛି କରିବିନି I am not going to change anything
on this they have to get the instruction
ଆପଣ is it not your duty to conduct it complete it within time so you are just delaying for 6 years 7 years
then I'll take instruction.
why should I unnecessarily change this
I'll take instruction. Why he has not completed the
6 years who distributed
No, your lordship's
Both,
passed the
both.
judgment.
judgment I'm not asking sir I'm asking them about the district
କନ୍ଧମାଳ
କନ୍ଧମାଳ 6 ବର୍ଷ ତା disciplinary proceeding କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
नहीं disengagement order ହେଇଗଲା that
ହଁ
is challenge.
disengagement ଆଗ କରିଦେଲେ disciplinary କେବେ
ସେଟା କ୍ୱାସ୍ ହେଲା
କରିବେ tomorrow ସେ ଲୋକ କିଛି ପାଇଲେନି ତାକୁ କାଢି ଦେଇଥିବେ ଏତେ ଦିନ ସେ ଖାଲି ବୁଲୁଥିବ କଣ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ I'm trying to balance ତାକୁ re-engagement disengagement wrong एकबार रखिता because you have not done it properly अपन disciplinary न करके आगे बाहर कर दोछन सेटा ସେଥିପାଇଁ
Your lordship know this is GRS. So
GRS
ସେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ରିଓପନ୍ ହବ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
GRS ହେଲେ ବୋଲି ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ବିନା ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ରେ ଏମିତି ସମୟ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ କି ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ
guideline says ki he has to be issued with a show cause notice, then if the show cause is satisfactory to the collector, then subsequently he will be re-engaged.
but focus खाली ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କାଢୁଛନ୍ତି at least you should have some inquiry inquiry କରିବେ disciplinary proceeding
they are sitting
summary କରନ୍ତୁ ନା
on your lordship's judgment now
No,
sitting
he
in
is not
sitting on your lordship's judgment
I'll take instruction
Then-
because this is
now they have distinguished it while
You
implementing
do it
the
quickly,
distinguish.
My lord,
I'm not going to be passing any order. You do it on your own.
my lord.
Why the order another order will be required for this? ଗୋଟେ order ଯେ ଆପଣ collector ବୁଝି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲେ କି collector କଲା ତାକୁ?
ସିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ମୁଁ
କାଇଁ
ଯେବେ
ବୁଝି
first time
ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି? ଯଦି
First
ବୁଝି
ଯଦି କହିଲୁ ସେମାନେ
ଯଦି
instruction
ବୁଝି
ନ
ପାରିଲେ
କଲା,
ତାହେଲେ
ଏତେ
ସେ
କହିଲା
collector
ମୋର
ଆମେ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ନୁହଁ।
Seriously.
If you just
my lord, I'll intimate this.
and consider the state to take instruction regarding the compliance of the order dated 24/8/2023. Allah, list the matter on 20th ras 19th. Allah,
19
19th.
ଏଇ
ଆପଣ ନାହାନ୍ତି?
ବହୁତ ଡେରି ହେଇଯାଉଛି ନା। ଆଜି କେତେ ହେଲା?
ଆଚ୍ଛା compliance order of course it can be
Complex ଅଛି।
11th ras 11. ଏଇଟା ତ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ affidavit
ସେ affidavit ଦବା ତମେ କରିଦେଲୁ କ୍ୱାସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ଅର୍ଡରଟା କ୍ୱାସ୍ ହେଲା ଯେ
ହଉ, 11
they will sit on this judgment
11th ras.
My lord.
Okay. Next
24.
24.
Well, it's item 24. I appear for the petitioner. Your lordship, on the last occasion had permitted me to effect service on the opposite parties through WhatsApp and email. I have a
You've
mailbox.
done it?
Yes.
Who is the
I may-
opposite party?
My lord, I may pardon.
Your
This
father?
case, I have received the instruction to appear for opposite party, lordship.
Okay.
Lordship may call this matter some other day, my lord.
You will not file your Okalanama.
No.
Anyway, he is now there. Give a copy.
I'll give.
Learn concept for the petitioner to sub a copy on the concept of the respondent. Who is filing his Okalanama during the course of the day? Keve karibi?
By tomorrow.
Who is filing the Okalanama within 3 days from this matter. 18.
Good.
Return back. Next.
25. In this matter, Millard, the petitioner challenging the order, Millard, wherein he has not been given opportunity to cross-examine the witnesses, Millard. He is not able to, he has not given scope to cross-examine the witnesses. PW 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Come to the order.
Your Lordship, what I pray is
Come to
that.
the order, sir.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Come to the POSCO judge order.
In the relevant portion, Your Lordship, Hard Learned Counsel for the accused has produced all the PW 1, 2, 3 and 4 for their cross-examination according to Learned Counsel for the accused. The previous counsel has not cross-examined them.
Sir, your previous
decision.
counsel, next counsel, खाली गड़ेया पे counsel change करके चलिए. आपने कहे नहीं हमको opportunity दिलानी. ये कौन कथा?
The ground has also been written
बिल्कुल
there.
your ground is not acceptable. Just change of counsel is not a ground at all. Change of counsel cannot be a ground. आपने कहीं counsel change करते लगी? माने just to play.
तार BJP
गोटे को जबरदस्ती गोटे counsel थी आउ गोटे change कर दे just to take time. कहीं आपने दिया जीवो? एकदम right or judgment order बढ़िया है किसी बोल.
से busy schedule जोगुरु से counsel
busy schedule जा तो that is आपन आगर बुझिवार थिला कि council busy schedule कोन next council busy schedule न थियो माना अछि आपन केस पे आपन आउ केस के लोक नेबेनी आउ advocate आउ केस जो पाइबो से नेबनी
I will satisfy.
I will say busy schedule all these things these are not the ground.
What I am saying is that Miller, 2 defects are there. I will remove the defect and I will give the 2 sides.
कहले नहीं से कथा ना defect
नहीं मु defect एटा कहूची यार defect दिटा remove.
Okay, learn the state petitioner to remove the defects within 3 days from today. List the matter on 12 रास दो.
Notice तो जाएगी.
First let him remove the defects, sir. Why in a hurry? I'm not noticing now. Defect remove. आराम से ठीक आसी जीवा भाई नोटिस टाइम ले फी आइबा ना. Okay, next 26.
My lord, I am praying for an adjournment.
Adjournment मांगले हंसी से मांगते हैं दुखेर क्या मांगू? Smile. हाँ. Why adjournment?
this is a criminal.
You argue well, why don't you argue?
My lord, this kind of matter first time, so.
What is the command matter?
My lord, revision matter regarding the discharge.
Discharge.
My lord.
What is the offense?
Offense is 13 clause 2 and 13(1) and clause.
Subject to one condition.
My lord.
I'll grant you adjournment.
My
You will argue the matter.
My lord.
Prepare agree, well agree.
Yes,
Hala?
my lord.
You argue well, why are you scared?
No,
I've seen other matters you have argued well.
My lord.
So when do you want to argue?
1 week after.
1 week after. Let it come on 19. Hala? Come prepared.
My lord.
Okay. 19. Defect is defect कौन आशा नहीं मिनटे review it है.
Limited.
Okay.
For
If any defects pointed out to the SR be removed within the next date of listing. Hala?
obliged.
Before the next date of listing. List the matter on 19.
27.
Next.
27, my lord, earlier I had taken time. The trial court judgment, I will file within a week because
So you have not got it?
he's sending today.
Okay. Learn concept of the petitioners. 1 week time to file the trial court judgment. Also, despite his best efforts, he could not arrange that. He could not receive the trial court judgment. List the matter on 20th. Next.
28.
28.
What the small defects may approve?
Defect. What is the defect? If it is ignorable, then I can.
Vernacular certificate, not.
That is vernacular.
Vernacular certificate. From vernacular certificate, my lord, the deponents put signature in Odia. So a certificate is required to the effect that I will file the vernacular.
You remove the defect and concept of the
small defect.
petitioner. Got them the defects to remove the defects within 3 days. Hala? 18 दिला मुझे कर दें तो इतने कुछ कि इतने तो मुझे इग्नोर कर दे वो समारे कौन ऊपर को बाइचांस केस जीवन सेटी प्रॉब्लम कर देले भलो सेटा भी गुटे पॉइंट धरिबा अपोजिट साइड सेटा कर देले
Sir,
कर देले भलो
sir.
Next.
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner filed a recall petition to recall the PDL 1, 2, 3 on the ground of compromise has been rejected by the trial court.
Compromise.
On the ground of compromise.
What is the compromise? What is the offense first?
366.
366 कौन है?
366, 376.
गुटे गुटे offense कौन है? 366 कौन है? 367 कौन कुहंतु? तापरे खाली गपी सेक्शन पढ़े मुझे लिखा ही नहीं कि
Kidnapping.
माने सेक्शन रे कौन अछि भी कहबे?
Kidnapping.
हां अखिन कहउ जदी खाली 366 कह दे आउ 367
363.
हां 363 कौन?
Kidnapping, 366 abduction, 3763.
कौन खड़ा? What is the matter?
My lord, the petitioner.
Case on the ground of some irregularity and misappropriation. So last time the land transfer case was found that at the instance of the PO and J, he has committed offense. But he directed offense. Last time we have taken it.
My lord, may see the order dated 2011-2023.
I don't understand. When your other persons are involved, why बेचारा poor ग्राम रोजगार सेवक को टारगेट करते आपण जेई मानु के छू नांती
That one.
must take it because this is connivance always अकेला ग्राम रोजगार सेवक केबे करि परिबनी माने करि परिबो बट इन द बड़ा स्कैम रे एमनकर हाथ निश्चित थी एमने खुशी हो जे एमने किछि कर नांती जस्ट बिकॉज़ परमानेंट एमने
By suspended proceeding
एई थियो के न देख के देखि आज किछि कहि परिबनी ऊपर अवेलेबल तार हाथ भलो थला किछि हबनी ए बिचारे पुअर 5,000 टंका पाइला लोक एमन को इजी टारगेट this you take instruction. Let him take instruction.
Your lordship.
Listen matter 21. Next.
Obliged.
32.
32.
May I please? This is arising out of a insurance ombudsman's rejection. The insurance the lordship will kindly take up page 29.
Yes.
The death benefit insurance It was rejected on the second para.
Right? Yes.
Page 29, annexure 4. Para 2. Petitioner here is the nominee, his wife died. Now we have reviewed all the documents, details submitted by and regretting that we have decided to repudiate all liability under the said policy on account of non-disclosure of previous insurance cover taken by life insurance or different companies at proposal stage. So there is no bar.
Exactly, I don't understand. I may be having 4 or 5 insurance cover from different companies. What is the
And
problem?
interestingly, all other companies have settled except this company.
Even if
Yes.
even if there is there any bar?
There is no
I
bar.
don't think there is any bar for that. Who is for insurance company? You are for
Well, I am for
I'm for
behalf
the
of-
insurance ombudsman.
I am for the
ombudsman.
Yes. Ombudsman
I'm
was
for
also
the-
made a party.
on
But
behalf
this
of
is
the subject.
directly covered by the judgment of the Apex Court 2019 that
So judgment of the copy ta khale covered by
Eta hoche amo High Court judgment, where even
2000
non-disclosure of illness also, they said,
Right.
unless it is material to the fact, my lord, you should kindly appreciate.
civil appeal
A
number.
disclosure which will affect the risk of the insurer. Now, I do not disclose a particular aspect regarding another policy. How it is going to affect the risk?
Exactly.
Well,
That is-
kindly
What Supreme Court is saying?
My lord, that is civil appeal number
Sir,
426.
कौन ଅଛି issue ଟା କଣ? କଣ ସେଥିରେ ratio ଟା
Non-disclosure of previous policy.
Huh?
Non-disclosure of previous policy, Supreme Court repudiated.
ଦେଖିଲି।
My lord, judgment ମୁଁ ଆଣିନି।
ଆଉ ଆଣିବିନି ଅଧା ଦେଖିକି କହିଲି
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ ଆଜି ହଠାତ୍ ଉଠିଗଲା ତ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜାଣିପାରିନି।
kindly see para 14, my lords. This honorable division bench
Directly covered by the Supreme Court judgment by 2019 Supreme
सर
Court.
ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ବି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ
ହଁ।
କିଏ ମାନେ
reference ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ଖାଲି Supreme Court କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ।
I will give the reference. I will give the entire judgment.
Question is not that.
କପିଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Doctor, हाँ, दे दे।
This is regarding section 45.
Yes, 45 भी deal करो।
But I mean just what I believe, there should not be any problem in settling the insurance.
My lord, the Supreme Court is vividly discussed.
Sir,
19
let's
from
see,
62.
Supreme Court ଆଉ 10ଟା ଅଲଗା direction ରେ
नहीं
ଯିବ।
नहीं
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ judgment
ଏବଂ ଏଇ judgment ଟା follow ହେଇକି subsequently ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ judgment
ଏଇଟା
ହେଇଛି।
କଣ 2 judge ନା 3 judge?
ଏଇଟା ଦୁଇ ଜଣିଆ ଜଜ୍ ତାପରେ ବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 3 ଜଣିଆ ଜଜ୍ ବି ସେଇ ଜଜ୍ ରେଫରି ହେଇଛି। ମୁଁ ଆଣିଦେବି।
ଦିଟା କଣ ଆଣିବି?
ଦୁଇଟା ସାର୍ ଆଣିଦେବି।
2 ଜଣିଆଟା ବା 3 ଜଣିଆଟା ଜାଣିବି।
ଏଇଟା ଡକ୍ଟର ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଚୂଡଙ୍କର when he was not the chief judge 2019 ର judge।
ସାର୍ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ନା ସେ କିଏ କାହାର judgment I am least bothered. As a Supreme Court
Kindly see, my lord,
judgment.
Supreme Court judgment and he has detailed previously ମାନେ from right prime
କହିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଇଯିବ।
ଆଣିଦିଅ ଆଣିଦିଅ।
ନ ଆଣିକିରି ଆସି ଖାଲି ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଲା ବୋଲି ହେଇଯିବ।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଟା ହଠାତ୍ ଉଠିଗଲା ତ ମୁଁ ଆଜି
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଜାଣିପାରିଲି।
ଆଣିଥିବେ ବି ପଢିକି ବି ଆସିଥିବେ। ଆଉ ଖାଲି ଅଧା ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଆଗରୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ହେଡଲାଇନ ପଢିବା ଅଭ୍ୟାସ
ନା ନା
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
sir in another case I am relying on the judgment I will
ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ କେସରେ ହେଡଲାଇନ ପଢିକି ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏଡେ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ।
ଭିତରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ହେଡଲାଇନ ପଢନ୍ତୁନି ପୁରା ଗୋ ଟୁ ଦ
I have gone through the judgment
ହଁ
I have
ପୁରା
gone
ଆସିକି କହିବେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟ ଦେବି ବନେଇକି
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଟା ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ଖାଲି
ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ମୁଁ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ
ହଁ ମୁଁ ନେଇ ଆସି
Here, my lord, kindly see para 14.
ନାଇଁ ଆମେ let me
Yes,
see
yes, let
let
him-
me Supreme Court judgment
because that is
Let him
directly
give the
judgment on
reference
this
also,
part I
I'll
am
also
telling
check
otherwise I
I'll
have to
see
not.
both and I'll pass so let him come with that
Yes.
so I'm fixing not I'm giving a short date 11
Yes ma'am.
Yes,
11
grateful.
file next
33.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. Behera, let the matter be taken on Friday, my lord.
huh?
On behalf of Mr. Behera, let the matter be taken on Friday.
Friday okay Friday 8 next 34
May I please, lordships? In this case, the petitioner is the descendant from the service of GRS, my lord. On the other government officials who was were involved in that case, they have been reinstated subsequently, my lord. In this case,
you take a section Mr.
I have filed rejoinder on 29. In that case, I have mentioned the name.
He's saying that one computer program has been reinstated. Pursuant to order of tribunal, learned tribunal.
computer programmer ର କି role ଏତେ ଥାଏ
Right, sir. As because that post is a state cadre post, and the district authority has disengaged him, that was set aside by the tribunal. They have no power to disengage a person having state cadre. And the petitioner is not in same position or similar. It's the case. And he's a GRS. After giving opportunity, he was disengaged.
So you basically you are saying the person who was disengaged was computer operator.
Yes.
Computer program.
And
Computer
Com-
program.
state
Computer
cadre.
program की role से GRS का important role ना.
In the,
ये जहाँ डाटा आसे वो डाटा को फीड करियो तार काम सेठी.
exactly, madam. In this case, the
आपण काम करतले आपण को डाटा फीडर आपण
no. In in allegation, there is no role on the part of the present petitioner also. That is ground.
Misappropriation of 4,05,000 rupees of EMAY fund.
There is no.
कोर्ट टाइप रे कला misappropriation टा.
Nothing is there.
Geo tagging जो करते after completion of work.
जियो टैगिंग रे 4 लाख करप्शन के दिहला.
Say on the basis of the geo tag that report, amount is to be restored. Now, as because he has geo tag
Already completed houses.
the work which has already been completed or somewhere no work has been executed.
So how geo tagging caused the treasury 4 lakh rupees, sir?
GRS no role है past.
That is fine, role I understand, but how, on what is the modus operandi? What is the modus operandi?
As my beneficiary selection list, GRS has made the role.
Sir, I understand.
No inquiry made.
If beneficiary, even beneficiary selection, GIS tagging, what is it, geo tagging, blah, 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 whatever you're saying. How come the person got the benefit of 4 lakh rupees? That you have to tell me.
Yes, Lord, may I just.
Yeah, please explain.
The ineligible applicants whose houses were built, were supposed to be built under the Manrega scheme, Lord. They were granted, their houses were geotagged, even though they were ineligible. And subsequently amount.
Who decides that eligibility? Who decides eligibility?
The BDO,
Does this Gram Rozgar Sevak decide the ability? Is there eligibility?
once the list of beneficiaries are out, my lord, GRS is supposed to go there and geotag the place, and geotag means, my lord, he will take the photos of the.
I know, sir, that don't
And
explain
that,
me.
what this particular GRS was doing, my lord. Suppose X has been granted a house, my lord, or construction benefit has been given to the X. He was geotagging Y's property and getting the.
That is a mistake, suppose
No, no.
mistake.
सारे लोग
But
तो
because of how that 4 lakh rupees he got.
जोटा लोग को बेनिफिशियरी में से पाई गेला पैसा.
हाँ, आपण घर गोटे घर जो बना हुए से केते टका मिले जणको केते टका मिले ना मो पचास जस्ट कॉमन सेंस आगे अप्लाई करन तापर लॉ को जिमे गोटे घर तयारी कले केते टका मिले माने जण लोक बेनिफिशियरी केते मिले टका बिजू कुटीर योजना हो कि इंदिरा आवास योजना हो गोटे लोक घर तयारी कले त केते पैसा दिए
लक्ष टका 1 लाख
1 लाख 1 लाख रे घर दिया जाए तो 1 लाख रे से 4 लाख माने 4 जनकर भूल घर देखले पैसा की देबो ताकू तो भूल घर तो ऑफिसर माने तो पैसा भी सी तो सिलेक्शन कमिटी गुटे थिबो ना सिलेक्शन कमिटी डिसाइड करिवो से जण लोक केंति ताकू मुंड रे देबे
नहीं this person was interested.
I am just asking you question.
My lord.
Does this singular man, that is the Gram Rozgar, what is it?
Hello. GRS, Gram Rozgar
Sevak. Is he the man who responsible for identifying, selecting, and everything for one? Then,
but the
what?
But the construction work, the development or the.
That is a different thing.
He was supposed to do that only. He has to only show the construction.
Sir, you're such a. You're not applying your mind. I'm asking a question. Think like a common, sensible. Chinta karandi. He is not the person. Suppose he is the person who wrongly identify one house who is ineligible and fund was given. Fund was given by him only.
Yes.
Then, okay, he has a responsibility. But here, your selection committee is there. Who are the members of the selection committee? Gram Sabha bhi achi.
Gram Sabha.
हाँ ग्राम सभा रे पास हला सिलेक्शन कमिटी पास कला तापर ये बेचारा भूल रे गोटे जियो टैगिंग कर दला बोली ये तार 4 लाख टका करप्शन हेगला केमती हला कोंदु
हां पेज 10 your phone page 10
पेज छाड़ंतु मते आगो एटा बुझांतु तापर मु पेज को जीवी मु पेज को जीवी आगो कॉमन सेंस आपण कॉमन सेंस मते बुझांतु केती से लोक 4 लाख टका खाइला मते
List prepared in 2011.
रोहन दमा
Minor.
चुपड़ी बस
Minor.
बस चुपड़ी तुमको 50 तुम फेवर
Sorry,
देला के पटो
ma'am.
जेतला कोर्ट फेवर है 5 रहइबो चुप
Sorry,
तो 50 ला कहइबो
Sorry.
यस कोंदु
Here, my lord, what happened,
मते गोटे सिंपल लॉजिक पूरा लेमन मु किसी जानिनी मते बुझांतु जे से जियो टैगिंग भूल कर देला बडे आपनकर लॉस हे गेला 4 लाख केमति हला मते सेटा बते साला पर तार आपण जहां पढेबे पढी बता दो
here what happened,
हाँ.
he has tampered and manipulated the account numbers of other, than one of the Geo,
अकाउंट नंबर अदर मैनिपुलेट हे गेला त तापा को पैसा गला केमति
and Geo taking.
रुहंदु अकाउंट नंबर मैनिपुलेट कर देला त पैसा तापा को गला केमति से लोग पाइला केमति पैसा
बेनिफिशियरी अलगा बेनिफिशियरी ताको अकाउंट रे पैसा नहीं के देयर पैसा पड़ नॉट गोटे
I am entitled.
हां आ गोटे रॉन्ग लोगडु साने
तार फोटो घर फोटो उठे कि से अपलोड कर दोछ करी के
से आपण गवर्नमेंट र लॉस केमति हला
से 4 लाख टका एक्स लोक
से काडू से ताठू माने ब्राइब रे नै थिबो
बेनिफिशियरी
ब्राइब रू नहीं थिबो से तो
लॉस
यू आर सेइंग ब्राइब बट योर लॉस के ब्राइब इज डिफरेंट ब्राइब इज डिफरेंट
लॉस एंटायर मनी हैज बीन सब 4 लोक 1 लाख
अरे सर मते गोटे कथा कहंतु आपण समस्त सिलेक्ट कले गांव रो लोक ये करछली तमरो गांव रे ग्राम सभा बसला सब हला केमि से कर दबो एमती हाउ कैन दिस
इट्स मैनिपुलेशन ग्राउंड भी तार
आ तुम जे आपण जे लोक पटु न थे ताको एदी कर
ओ ही वाज इशूड सो
अरे की सेडा कर सो कष्ट की कर वीडियो हां वीडियो को आसो लेट आई वांट टू मु भीतर को जे चाहू एमती ऊपर ऊपर खाली लोक बाहर कर दबो एमती चढ़बो वीडियो मते से वीडियो बुझेबो केमती चाललो असल तापर आपण बुझी परना लेट द वीडियो कम कबे 11 तारीख आसु दुटा बेले को वीडियो एटा
Kalyan Singhpur, Raigada district.
हां
Raigada district, Kalyan Singhpur.
Kalyan Singhpur. Let the video of Kalyan Singhpur, Raigada, district Raigada, be present before this court through VC on 11th December at 2 p.m. Hala? Okay. Let's see. I want to understand. And nothing to, hey, but I may be wrong also.
well
Just for my understanding and knowledge. Let him explain this. Okay. Next.
A pleasure.
35
35. Yes.
I am the opposite party. The video of Raghunathpur and Block Education of Professor Raghunathpur filed the present hit petition challenging the order passed by the Consumer Commission method and the District Consumer Forum. Though there is a appellate remedy there.
Block education officer कहीं ऐसी?
The complaint
Block education officer is the person ऐसी ना government तरफ ऐसी?
government capacity.
Government capacity है किन्हीं फाइल कला? Government फाइल करेगा क्या?
They have to explain.
Block education officer ता ना रहे ले आपण थ्रू ऐसी बस नाले government थ्रू फाइल.
I am the complainant before the court.
वो आपण complainant. तो block education officer क्या पाए आपण?
इचिरन
Oh. But it's government फाइल करती है.
ना प्राइवेट कैपेसिटी फाइल
प्राइवेट कैपेसिटी ब्लॉक एजेंसी ऑफिसर के कर लिखियो से प्रता नारे फाइल करबो ना ये की कथा जहां जता फाइल कर दी पळे अछन ठी ई जे ब्लॉक एजुकेशन ऑफिसर 95 कानून गो सॉरी 95 मिश्र हैला 95 मिश्र फाइल करबो ना ब्लॉक एजुकेशन
that effect as an order on 17th February 2020 on the part circumstance BO can file the case in individual capacity
individual capacity रही छी individual capacity रही छी
order te achi
individual capacity माने in his name
yes
then why this has not been filed
17/2/20 रे order te hi
ये order छाड़ दो individual capacity should be in his name let withdraw it and file in his name land council for the state
Mr. Mahapatra filed this.
Who is Mr. where is Mr.
My lord,
Mahapatra?
on the behalf of Mr. Mahapatra, kindly.
I don't understand. One BDO is filing something, and the BDO is not. The government is not filing on behalf of the BDO. Rather, some other person is filing on behalf of the BDO. But how this is possible?
The payment of insurance money.
I am not on that. How can BDO will file in his individual capacity, sir?
BO block education
हाँ जो DO individual capacity ता ना रे फाइल करियो आपण का भाई
Deepti Ranjan Mahapatra. On the behalf of Dipti, on the behalf of Dipti Ranjan
on the
Mahapatra.
behalf of on behalf of.
On behalf.
Don't say on the behalf of. It's English article पढ़िवा जाएगी घरे. A and D use कोड दे. हला. को बोई रखियो. Grammar भी कोड़ा जो. कोड़ा जो.
Pass over.
Pass over 2 PM. This matter needs to be thrashed out. Too much. हिंदी के दिया हो. हम ये फाइल करते थे जैसे कि दिमाग लगो ना थी. जे भी फाइल करची. Next.
36.
36.
Wait, please, your lordship. In this case, the petitioner was an ASA worker who was disengaged without giving any prior notice or any opportunity to explain. The petitioner was an ASA worker who was dismissed from service without giving any show cause or without seeking any explanation from her. On the last date, your lordship had asked to take instructions regarding ground of dismissal.
Ready. The selection was made by pursuant to the guideline, which are no more.
Now, on what basis you have removed him, sir?
There are some irregularity in the selection process as well as the latest guideline was not followed.
At that time, what guideline was there?
The पूर्व था 17 guideline.
कोई year रे हितला. 18 रे. सेतले को guideline थिला.
17 guideline टा follow होगा.
No, which guideline was governing the field at the time of selection process?
2017 guideline.
2017 guideline was not followed.
2016 guideline.
16 guideline was
That was
not
not followed. That is the instruction.
Which guideline? Which part of the guideline was not followed?
Regarding educational qualification and that's the main thing. Educational qualification.
Sir, educational qualification in your 2016 guideline. What are the educational qualification?
7th pass, 10th. If
7th pass, 10 man.
10th class, and if there is no candidate available of 10th pass, then 7th pass candidate.
So in this case, so there was no candidate available.
Because earlier that was there was some no relaxation in earlier guideline. Number of candidates were disqualified. Now
come to the present case. You have what is your qualification?
7th pass.
7th pass. So how many candidates applied?
Single.
Single.
There is no
other could not be able to apply due to this educational qualification.
What?
That has been relaxed in subsequent guideline, 2016 guideline.
I'm asking a simple question,
Yes.
sir. At the time of the advertisement, how many people applied?
Single.
7th pass.
Yes.
7th pass, right?
Yes.
So why other people, if they didn't apply, then why he should?
That has
he
been
should be
relaxed in
penalized?
subsequent guideline, 2016 guideline.
Are sir, 16
The 16 guideline ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା, ତାହେଲେ other candidates could have applied.
କିଏ responsible ସେଥିପାଇଁ?
ସେଇ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି. And that's why
16 guideline କଣ କହିଲା?
16 guideline your ship is given.
What is the 16 guideline, Mr.?
So this ground was taken for the first time. We are not
The
aware of this.
educational qualification for selection ASA should be taken as class 10. In case of non-availability of class 10 candidate in the concerned village, it may be relaxed to class 7.
7, right?
Yes.
There.
Further, in case of non-availability of class 7 candidate, a skill test or reading and writing in Odia language is to be conducted.
No, just hold on. This is the guideline governing the field at the time of advertisement,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Right?
yes.
Right and wrong?
Yes.
Okay. So if this guideline was governing the field at the time of the selection process, why are you going for any other guideline?
That is the wrong way.
Then if wrong committed, this person should not have been penalized for that then.
That's why the
Take proper instruction.
Yes.
Plan consequence state to take proper instruction. Regarding the guidelines which was followed at the time of the selection process. Hello? And what is the wrong committed while applying? I don't think what is the confusion? What is the confusion? Clear cut guideline is clear cut. Selection is clear. Then why this guideline has a problem? I don't know.
Whatever, my lord. Here, earlier there was a guideline.
Again, there is a confusion. I am saying what is the guideline prevailing at the time of selection process? 2016 guideline,
guideline.
clear cut,
Yes.
no confusion.
Yes.
Okay. Then he has been selected on the basis of that guideline.
No.
No confusion.
No. No.
Then what?
That is the instruction.
Then what? Then which guideline he followed then?
Earlier guideline.
What is the earlier guideline?
That I will produce. That.
What is which earlier guideline?
That I will produce.
सही टाइम रे जो गाइडलाइन अवेलेबल सही गाइडलाइन फॉलो हो ना যদি 16 রে আছে 15 গাইডলাইন থোড়ি ফলো হবো
as per instruction
instruction ছাড়ন দেবো आपण instruction অফিসার মানে দউଛନ୍ତି आपण instruction রে पता नहीं they are using the head or not I don't know if a particular guideline is available at the time that guideline is that is the mantra for you are not supposed to take the later guideline or the previous guideline yes you have to follow that only and you have not done that
has not been
then why should he be penalized for your
that's why the selection has been
clear clarified and I'll reinstate him. You can't just do like this. Within 3 days, hala, release the matter on 8 रे आसु 8 रे clarify करिए और यदि 8 clarify न कलो it will be reinstated. You can't just throw the person like this. Selection करिए हटा guideline भूल थिला आपण की भूल करे अपन की कहला की next
37. Mate, please, your lordship.
37.
Item 37.
You come prepared, mister. We don't come like this. मु कोर्टर पचारले आपण किछि कोइ बना स्टेट खाली कोइ आपण को पे
My lord, this instruction was.
instruction नाही आपण रिसर्च करके आसीबे क्लाइंट हो इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं के आसीबे एंती आसले हम
But this ground was not.
नो ग्राउंड फ्रंट मु जाने नहीं गाइडलाइन कोडा फॉलो हिची कोथरे आसी आपण जान कहबे नहीं पॉइंट क्लाइंट संग टिके डिस्कस करबे ना मु जानि छे सर क्लाइंट हम किछि कहि परिबे फिर भी यू शुड हैव अप्लाई योर हेड आल्सो हां नेक्स्ट
My lord, item 37 kindly pass over.
37 okay pass next
in item 38 I am for the opposite party I have filed my counter one rejoinder has to be filed by them have taken time
what is the issue
is with regard to claiming of arrear rent we are the tenant in the premises State Bank was the tenant and State Bank has
bank
has left it and cleared each and everything and I have
then what is the problem
claim
why counter counter rejoinder ethical lama korchun let's finish it why do just not finish sir finish the matter unnecessary why just counter rejoinder sir rejoinder करके लंबे चलछंती को में आपण मैटर ने फिनिश करके भल लागिनी अब काई टाइम नहीं चलछंती फटाफट सारंदु आज दुईटा आंसर नेउछ हला टेल यू सीनियर टू कम otherwise you come prepared
after lunch I am going to be
you are not there tomorrow
tomorrow
day after
day after tomorrow
day after माने केबे 6 रे
7th to
7 नहीं 6 करो 6 okay 6 रे नेक्स्ट 39 कर दो हला ए किछि नहीं रे छोटा एरिया से पे कर से आपण खत्म हला कोन सुविधा हला टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन नेक्स्ट
39. Lord, it is that matter where that
क्या हुआ
judgment आज ही अछि
ए भाई आपण
अगर मैं टाइम मागुनी आपण पास कर दियंतो
माने आपण कहले जजमेंट पे टाइम नेले
जजमेंट सहित जजमेंट रो किछि रेलेवेंस ही नहीं
मुझे बोलनो से कथा कहूची
किंतु मु कहूची जजमेंट रे रेलेवेंस हो काहे कि जो बेसिस ऑफ डिक्री रे से माने हमको एविक्शन मागु चंती
आज जजमेंट अछि
आज ही जजमेंट
काली लागू
पहर दिन को रखो तो
एते दूर आसिलेनी तो
आगे पहर दिन को
ठीक
मु आपन को देई देबी
हो पहर दिन 6 रस एते दिन रहिला न जजमेंट लेट्स सी द जजमेंट आल्सो ला
40 एंट्री मॉडल में
एंट्री मॉडल कंटिन्यू 40
my lord I am from BC man
आपण रिवर्सल है पाला नहीं anybody appearing for the payment corporation of India
notice has been solved my lord
हां
notice has been successfully solved my lord
आपण केस बुझले वर्ष पाइबे के सरीबनी एई काउंटर रिजेंडर पेमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया करी आपण झुलुथबे डाउनलोड करी करथबे ए जिलेबी मिलाड़ी केसटा
OP number 7 has been solved the notice my lord as per the tracking
I am for OP number 6 my lord
always there
my
so payment corporation of India has to be present na
yes
my lord notice has been solved my lord this can be disposed of today my lord clear record is there, my lord. The amount deposited by the petitioner has been reflected.
Sir, one thing, let me tell you.
My lord.
The thing which you are thinking so simple is not that simple. There is really complex issues involved. आपको लागुची simple एते simple नहीं because it doesn't go directly. It goes rotated through Payment Corporation of India. The Payment Corporation of India has to be heard. Unless that Payment Corporation of India comes,
My lord,
let's see. Let's give a time. Let's give some more time. Let's see. Jadi asal dekha. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You serve a fresh notice on them.
Yes.
Five cents in the
There is also account discrepancy, your lordship might find. He says that I had sent 88,674. Now he claims 88,687. Difference is 13 rupees.
My lord, subsequently, amount has been credited to that account, my lord. And he has made the deposit on trial basis, my lord. There is no discrepancy, my lord. And page 10, my lord.
Do one thing. Just you do one thing, sir. You let service authority through Payment Corporation of India or Bombay.
Sir.
Right? Bombay.
Bombay.
It has been solved, my lord, as per the cause list. It is reflected in the cause list, my lord. Tracking report says that the notice has been solved to OP number 7, my lord.
Let him submit that tracking report.
Tracking report?
My lord, it is reflected in the cause list, my lord. 40, serial 40.
I am granting another 1 week time if they can come. Otherwise, you'll decide it without them.
My lord. Grateful.
Last chance. The OP number कितने Payment Corporation of India?
7 years.
OP number 7 is granted 1 week time to enter appearance. List the matter on 20th.
My lord. Blessed.
Next.
41.
41.
My lord, I am a petitioner, my lord. Seeking a direction from this court for the unfreeze of the account is freeze by the bank, opposite party number 1 and 2.
Why?
My lord, one case was disposed of in the consumer court. After disposal, this opposite party, bank and provident fund is filed their appeal before the consumer. So after the filing appeal, before filing appeal, they freeze the account of this some 48,180 rupees, but they are stating the 46,680 rupees because there is a
on which instruction bank frozen your account.
I am for the bank.
My lord,
The EPF has sent a mail to freeze that.
Who?
EPF, OP number 3.
EPF. They can do. EPF.
They have sent. So
This
they
is
have freezed
sovereign dues.
and we have intimated to the petitioner.
That is to be for the benefit of the labor.
My lord, this account is an individual account of the petitioner. Bank have no rights at all to freeze at all. There is a RBI guidelines, only they can freeze for this fixed deposit. And if it is, this is the saving bank account. And
What is the RBI guidelines?
Yes, my lord.
You should get some ଟିକେ ବଡ ଅକ୍ଷର ଆଣିପାରନ୍ତି କପି ପେଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ହୁଅନ୍ତାନି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗୋଟେ word file ରେଡି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି. It's too small. Which one?
The last para, my lord. Third number. Further, with regard to the saving bank account frozen by the enforcement authority, bank may continue to credit the interest to the account on a regular basis. But he is admitted in the
sorry.
Last.
With regard to the savings bank account frozen by the enforcement authority, banks may continue to credit. The credit କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମନା ଥୋଡି
Yes,
ଅଛି.
the enforcement authority. Who is the enforcement authority, my lord?
Bank account frozen hele bi amount can be credited there in savings bank that
Interest.
can be credited. That is what the ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଟା ଯୋଉ guideline କହିଲେ ଏଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ case ରେ match କରୁନି.
My lord, and
Then-
this is the illegality of the forging because
I am saying, this is a simple question I'm asking. Why your account has been frozen?
yes, my lord, they are stating that Provident Fund is stating that he has paid the excess amount. When the petitioner
Excess amount to?
excess amount to the petitioner, they have reconciled their ledger and found that there is a excess amount he has paid to the petitioner, but they
Which
has not been
petitioner? Who has paid? The
Provident
Fund people.
Provident Fund.
On what? This is Provident Fund. You have got a excessive Provident Fund.
No, my lord, we never received an excess of amount. My lord, when the petitioners.
Who is appearing for anybody? What is the issue? Can you tell me?
Prayer mechanical glance.
Yes.
The prayer is not clear that direct the OP1.
Compensation you are asking for, sir.
No, compensation, litigation cost, everything.
But prayer, what is your prayer?
Prayer is one. Direct the OP1 to release the amount of rupees dash, holding him with him within 1 week. Then your hardship, 20 compensation 20,000 and the interest relation and the litigation charge 2,50,000. Self-same issue. Self-same issue.
Zero is added 25,000. That is.
No,
litigation
I cannot
cost.
dispute. Whatever the amount, self-same issue that he has filed, the page 13 mechanical glance, page 13, to their petition.
Actually, what do you want, sir?
My lord, they have, because one case was pending in the consumer district consumer forum in the
Consumer forum, what?
My lord, one case was pending because
What case?
My lord, Provident Fund is not supplied the.
If Provident Fund related case goes to EPF tribunal, that is a different
Yes,
forum.
my lord,
Why
Provident
you
Fund.
go to consumer forum?
Yes, my lord, 140.
Yes, I'm asking that.
Yeah,
Why not EPF? Why consumer forum?
My lord, Provident Fund.
If Provident Fund related dispute to be adjudicated there, not
My lord, there is a, it comes under the consumer court. Consumer forum. Yes, my lord. We are the consumer.
ନାଇଁ ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଆପଣ ହେଲେ ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
Because we have paid, my
ଆପଣ
lord,
ଟିକେ ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ କୁ କେମିତି ଯିବେ ବୋଲି ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
consumer, we are
ତାହେଲେ
the,
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ବି ତ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି କାଇଁ ଯାଉନି ତାହେଲେ ଦେ ହାଭ୍ ସେପାରେଟ ଫୋରମ ନା
that is written clearly in the consumer case.
What?
That the electricity and some other organization not comes under the purview of the
so
consumer.
why this organization also I'm saying not doesn't come
Yes, my lord. It will
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
come.
yes yes ନାଇଁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
Section 2 of the consumer CP Act, my lord.
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
Book is not brought.
ବୁକ୍ ଆଣିବେନି ଆପଣ ସବୁ ମନେ ସୋ ସେଲ୍ଫ ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ବୁକ୍ ଆଣିଲେ ତ ଇଜ୍ଜତ ପଳେଇଯିବ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
My lord, consumer.
ବୁକ୍ କାଇଁ ଆଣିବେ ଦିଅ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ଆପଣ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ରିଲେଟେଡ କେସ୍ ଆସି ବହି ଧରିକି ଆସିବେନି ଭିକାରୀ ଭଳିଆ ଆସି ବହି ଆମର ଆପଣ ମାଗିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ବହି ଧରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଇଜ୍ଜତ ମତ ଟିକେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ନିଜର ଦିଅ ବହି ଦିଅ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଆଗ ଦିଅ ଆଉ ତମେ ଖୋଜିବ ଏବେ 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ହଁ କାଇଁ ଭାଇ ତମେ ପାଇବନି ଯା
This old book, my lord, 1986.
ତ ଆଣିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଗପିଲେ କଣ ହବ ବହି ଧରିକି ଆସିଲା ସେଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବିନି ନ ଦେଖେଇବା
My lord, I've already passed the order by the.
ଅଲରେଡି ତାଉ ନା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଅଲରେଡି ମତେ
It was, my lord, it
ନା
was pending.
no
This
you have to
court-
satisfy me
Yes, my lord, this court is directed to the.
this code I don't
DCDS.
know you have to show me that's all
After direction only, they have disposed of the
I
case.
don't want to go into all these things you have to show me whether it comes under consumer
Yes, my lord, short date fix it.
short date ले जाओ 12 तारीख दे दो 12
My lord.
बही नहीं ऐसा you are young counsel mister why are you not getting book I'm telling everybody please get book without book आसिले वाला मैं 5 मास एडजन कर देगी सीधा don't blame me for that बही आनले कोन इज्जत पड़ी जाउची ए लॉयर तो तार स्टॉक इन ट्रेड होची बुक आ आपण बही धरि आसु नांती कोन पे व्हाट इज दिस एटा बही धरि कल्चर सिखंतु सब काई एने होची जंदी ए जे कथा कथा के सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेज दिस सुप्रीम हाई कोर्ट डिवीजन पे सेज दिस कोर्ट सेति पे बही धरि अभ्यास छाडी गला
I am for OP3 in that case. Okay, obliged.
42 42 এটা কোন ম্যাটার এটা
Vigilance case. Locate matter lordship that order of the
আইটেম টা আপন কা পাই
Second item টা আমার 21206 টা forest offense টা but trial is being commenced at vigilance court. So in the inception, I was telling you it will be delisted, but my friend is saying that it may be delisted.
Forest case.
Forest.
Koda kale?
The second item. 206.
2120.
Yes, yes. So,
Let's see, let's.
The transport trial is commenced already. It is no nexus with it.
But in your case also, the locality is recommended.
And local, well, the point is that
Your case, the Lokayukta is recommended for vigilance inquiry.
after recommendation of locality,
So then why is a different case?
no matter the after
Maybe the case nature may be different, but the recommendation.
Here what has happened is the trial is already pending before the special judge. So therefore, his objections, if any, he has to raise there only.
Yes. This is something else we are hearing.
because in the meantime, if there was at the time of admission of my petition, there is an observation that whether any forest expert opinion is obtained before recommending the report to the concerned court matter. So this is the point.
No, the same time this court also says the court finds a prima facie case and directs the issuing notice to OPs on the question of admission. Let 9 extra copies. Notice.
Forest opinion report government.
We'll see that. We'll see that. You
But
just,
data presently not available with me. One is there.
sir, it must be there with the government.
In this case also, counter is ready. Let it taken next week. We'll find out.
Sir, कितने थर आपने counter
फाइल का टिकट अधि जाइतला हमें ताको रिकंस्टिट्यूट करके आ गोटे करके काउंटर विल बी फाइल्ड विदिन 2 days. लेट इट टेकन अप आफ्टर 2 days.
No.
Any date.
ठीक. I'm fixing it on 19 then. 19.
आज you
19. Let it come on 19. On the request of Land Council State Ministry. Let the matter be listed on 19th December. Let's finish it before your holidays. December.
The forest expert opinion.
Sir, देखिए सेतबेले आपण forest sector मझिरे काहे आसुदी. We'll see that.
That's all the cases. No, all the other cases are ready, Milo.
Other cases ready.
କାଇଁ ମତେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
Who counter?
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ମାଗିବି
Counter already mailed ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ survey.
ମେଲ ରେ କଣ
ଆଉ mail ଦେଖିବେନି?
mail
ଆଜିକାଲି ଜମାନାରେ mail
I have
ସବୁ
searched lordship 1045 I have searched ସେ କୋଉ mail ରେ ପଠୁଛି ଗଡ ନଉଛି
spam କୁ ପଳେଇଥିବ.
Just now.
ମୁଁ ସବୁ
spam ଆପଣ ଜମା ହେଇଗଲେ ବହୁତ spam କୁ ପଳେଇଯାଏ.
ସବୁ ଚେକିଂ କରିଛି ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଚେକିଂ କରିଛି ଆଉ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ କୁ
ବହୁତ ଜମା ହେଇଗଲା ଏବେ mail box ଗୁଡା free କରନ୍ତୁ.
ନାଇଁ
spam ଯୋଉ ପଳେଇ ଆସେ delete ମାରି ଚାଲିବେ ତାପରେ space create ହେବ ତାପରେ ପାଇବେ.
Lord, we'll give him a counter today. Unnecessarily for small things, why should?
Yeah. Okay, you'll get the copy, okay? ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ନା ସାଇନ୍ କରି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ବାସ୍ then ଆଉ ଦେଖିଲେ ସାଇନ୍ କରି ଆପଣ ପାଇନେ କିନ୍ତୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
always unnecessary submissions making my
no ଯଦି
my allegation against state not against vigilance. I am saying about state. Why is coming forward and
anyway get a copy. Why unnecessary? Get a copy. Please see, don't bring this kind of this copy not received, copy not received.
I am ready to argue.
These are all your internal
things. Counter I can argue. Just mention.
Anyway, just give a copy. Give a copy.
Give a counter copy today in course of the day.
Lordship.
Okay. So get ready at that time. Don't.
No, I am ready to. I have already argued Lordship.
How say counter regional पे आके पढ़ लो. On that day, let's finish the topic. Let's finish it.
Except Mr. Misra's met.
This case is different.
So let it come
on 19th.
19th.
Let everything come.
Let's finish.
That is not linked to this. In fact, last occasion, my lord segregated it. So it's at item 54. Let it. Yes. It's segregated. So let it reach today. That is not linked with this issue.
This item.
It's a separate issue. My lord may recollect. That's that bridge collapse matter.
This is separate.
That is separate.
That is separate.
This bridge collapse can be taken up today.
Today, yes, my lord. So it's then there later in the list at 54.
Then last item 54.
Yes.
So now
let it reach. The counsel for the petitioner is not there also. Let it reach. I am there today.
Then let's do one thing at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. You're comfortable, Mr.
No, Mr. He is appearing. Mr. Misra is appearing.
No, no.
We are appearing for Lokayukta. In that case, Mr.
Two.
Misra is appearing for Lokayukta.
Okay. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Today. Okay. 2 p.m.
Yeah, in all matters, that's entry mode there. That's it.
How entry to continue?
That's grateful.
So that other matter 54 will be taken up at 2 p.m.
This matter fixed on 19th.
19.
19 में 2 o'clock better
Two
होगा.
o'clock.
Fix it 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock किसी ऐसे 19 में 19 2 p.m. ठीक है.
2 o'clock, 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Next.
43.
43.
My lord, may I please? This is a petitioner is seeking a direction from this honorable court to pay the insurance claim. This is a 2 lakhs rupees.
Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana.
Yes, my lord.
So it is 1 lakh or 2 lakh?
2 lakhs rupees.
2 lakh.
My lord.
What is the problem?
My lord, after death of his husband, her husband, she is applied in a bank, Union Bank of India.
How? What is the application form?
That is direct. My lord, 12 rupees they are deducting.
Sir, I'm asking, you applied, where is the application form?
That is application keeping by the Union Bank of India only. They are keeping there only applying.
Proof na?
No, they are not giving any copy.
Not giving copy.
My lord, my lord,
You give a copy of the read, he will take instruction. Land concept of the bank, Union Bank of India, Mr. Tuna Sahu, to take instruction regarding the non-payment of the insurance amount, non-settling of the insurance amount in favor of the present petitioner. You take instruction, give a copy.
Yes, my lord.
Ms. petitioner to serve a copy on Mr. Sahu during the course of the day. Okay. List the matter on. I mean, you short it. 11 as
12. Same thing.
12. Okay, 12.
9.
Next.
44.
44.
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, last occasion directed the NBFC to issue NOC in favor of the present petitioner.
for
OP3.
Who?
Regional Manager State Head Sundaram Finance.
Sundaram Finance. So he has paid everything. Why are you not issuing NOC?
Short time may be allowed to obtain for instruction regarding the NOC.
Okay, learn concept of the OP number 3. 6 1 week time to take instruction. You have paid everything.
Yes, Your Lordship. At page 35,
since
outstanding is 0.
On the issue of issuance, non-issue of NOC to the petitioner, despite he has repaid the entire loan amount. Okay. Take instruction. List the matter on 20th. Next.
Last occasion also
45.
directed for take instruction.
Next time, as a last time. Thorough instruction. Case type appear buji asibini. Notices
instruction on the
notices so that you can take instruction. Nobody bothers. Next.
May I please, Your Lordship, item number 45, madam. This is small matter, my lord, wherein I challenge the annexure 5, my lord, the order of the permanent local Mayurbhanj mal, wherein the
You are for the
petitioner, Your Lordship.
Baman Ghati Housing Building Cooperative Society.
My lord.
So what is the permanent local order?
Permanent local, this is a demand, challenging the demand notice, my lord, opposite party has moved before the permanent local, my lord.
Demand notice?
Demand loan matter, my lord. House building loan, my lord.
House building loan. So you house building loan is given by whom?
Petitioner, my lord. Petitioner society,
Society.
my lord.
So you that person deposited some amount.
Deposited, no, he has not deposited any amount. my lord.
Booking amount.
No.
No booking amount.
No, booking amount is not there. This is a beneficial under the scheme, my lord. The loan was granted, my lord. Subject to some terms and condition, my whereas he has not fulfilled the terms and condition, and thereafter no further amount was disbursed to the opposite party, my lord. And when we have issued the demand notice, my lord, he moved before the permanent local authority, my lord. And permanent local authority, my lord.
So issue demand notice or how much demand notice you issue?
Only 10,000, my lord.
10,000.
10,000. In some cases, a bunch of cases, some cases 20,000.
It's a construction linked
Construction link, my lord. 25% after disposal of the 25%, rest amount of.
So when you just issued the demand notice, he went to the permanent local.
My lord, my lord.
What? Let's go to the order of permanent local.
My lord, and it's a 5 page 25 lordship. My lord, running page 28, my lord.
Yeah, madam, one thing.
My lord.
This person wanted money from you.
My lord.
Right? Initially 10,000 rupees you have paid.
My lord.
10,000 rupees. He started the construction work. Then for another, the balance amount he didn't pay.
My lord, there is a clause.
That's why he.
My lord, there is a clause in my agreement, my lord. Clause number 16, lordship. I'm coming to that one, my lordship. Page number 14, your lordship. The aforesaid amount of loan of 40,000 only will be disbursed in 2 phases, considering the stages of construction as per.
Oh, okay. He's saying my house was demolished because of something.
My lord, he has not used, my lord, not started any construction, my lord.
Kharab
Not
kiya.
no completion certificate, no construction.
Bottle. Permanent local adalat, what is it?
My ground of challenge, my lord, the is not coming, the dispute is not coming.
What is such a boring order they're passing, saying. He has decided the entire thing within 2 paragraphs.
My
He
lord.
framed 3 issues. Bada smart hai. Okay, issue notice.
Notice has issued, my lord.
Who is the opposite party?
No, none appears, for in spite of the delivered of the notice, my lord, 2 date has already been gone, my lord. Tracking report shows that the notice has already been, after that, 2 adjustments are there.
Last chance. As a last chance, let an opportunity be granted to the OP number 1, 2, 3, 4 to appear before this court in person or through their legal or advocate.
My lord, notice has gone only in respect of opposite party number 2, my lord.
2?
2, my lord. Private opposite party, my lord.
Okay, 2 कर लिए. 2 तो दरकार अलग था दरकार नहीं.
No, only 2 rich.
2 is sufficient. 2 is sufficient. So 2 open number 2 लिख दो. List the matter on 21st. 21 तारीख. Next.
So item 44 minutes. I am ready with my minutes, rejoinder minutes.
44.
44 minutes. Sorry, 46. 46 minutes. 46 minutes.
46.
Yes.
जल्दी सकाळ उदे मंदिर गले सिंगे आवो अल्ली एते
सर तो देखो जो हम कॉपी सर
देन तू कॉपी
आई
बट फाइल करंदु काउंटर
सर
एटा कोनटा थिला एटा से जो ट्रेडर
हां सर सर
कोन थिला एटा
काली पर्सन का सर से जो इलीगल लाइसेंसिंग ऑफ द स्टोन करो
मैं
स्टोन
अपन का भाई
I am for the OP number 9 here.
किए छिला
Here the
सर OP number 9 के कहबे ना
lease holder.
Lease holder. कहबे तो OP number 9 lease holder कहबे.
After the dismissal of the writ petition by this honorable court against the order of NGT, another petition has been filed directly here, challenging the self-same issue.
तो आशु देखियो अपन आने के देखा.
Yes.
And so far petitioner doesn't have any locus standi.
अरे भाई मुझे पता है कॉस्ट इंपोज करे को
very simple.
अपन प्लान को कहि देतिबे 50,000 मिनिमम कॉस्ट इंपोज करबी सब पढी के रेडी के अछि हेति पे 50 थिले अपन आउ टिके अपन माने ब्रीदिंग स्पेस देली 50,000 जमा करिया पई हला हां भाभी चिंती करे आसंतु से दिन नले 50,000 स्टेट कॉस्ट करबी और क्लाइंट अपन दबो सेते आउ किछि कहबे न हला जासु तोर सुप्रीम
for my case of the
मु कहि देले अगरो आई जस्ट एक्सप्रेस माय माइंड इफ यू डोंट डू दिस यू हैव टू पे 50,000 बारंबार गुटे केस रे रिट रे थोड़ी पळै जिवे आ कोथरे पळै जिवे एनजीटी पळै जिवे कोन फोरम शॉपिंग फोरम शॉपिंग दिस इज फोरम शॉपिंग এই ফোরম রে নলে সেই ফোরম রে এটা কোন এটি মেলা লাগিছি বালি যাত্রা এই দোকান সেই দোকান বলি হ্যাঁ নেক্সট
Your lordship has fixed it to
Fixed to 20th.
Madam.
Next.
47.
47.
After 2 days, this matter may
Dwarka might traders.
taken up because I taken instruction, but writing has not come.
Has not come?
3 days time may kindly
Okay.
that. I'm
Eight loads. 8 years. कौन आपको instruction दो ना दे
नहीं, by that.
हड़का के लाओ
He
should instruct them.
हड़का के लाओ next
48.
48
May I please,
गौरांग चंद्र साहू
may I please, my lord.
कि आप टाटा मोटर्स में आपण
Yes, Lordship. I am happy.
कौन है मैटर
My Lord, arbitration award has already been passed. And in view of section 17 of Arbitration Act, interim order was passed, and by virtue of that interim order, the vehicle was seized. And after seizure, a pre-sale notice was issued to the
arbitration award.
Yeah.
Why?
Because invoking the clause of arbitration present in the agreement.
That is your loan agreement arbitration.
Again.
अच्छा
Arbitration
clause के देखेले
agreement टा मानिनी.
आने मत clause देखे
Again.
loan agreement arbitration clause
Again.
आने
Rose. हाँ मुझे.
let's see.
Your Lordship may call it next week. I will produce.
18 as 18
Interim order of the contract.
interim order to complete next
Can it be earlier, my Lord?
49.
8 as 8 as
8 again.
next
Obliged you.
In this case, already written notes of submission has been submitted. It is relating disengagement of Anganwadi worker. All 4 months service is left. Only. On March she will retire. Copy दे मत देखिए कौन लिखि
एटा कोन एज कितला की
ना ना एथरे थिला से गोटे मीटिंग अटेंड करिया जायतिला से क्लस्टर से हला प्रेसिडेंट थिला से गोटे दिन मीटिंग अटेंड करिया जायतिला न करथिला बोले ताको शोकज मागले
ता आगुरी बहुत allegation.
हां ठीक है देखिए आपण से फाइल लगा दो
आज्ञा 21 एटा 5236 रे कोन दै छ
Data.
21146 रे एक्चुअली डिसाइड हो 5236 हला एनसिलरी टू द
ऑर्डर is next
50.
50
He is suffering from viral fever.
12 bus 12 51
51.
My well, I am opposite.
Let me place my matter at least.
What is the issue?
Yes, item 51. Just now my friend submitted a letter saying that the claim has been rejected. Let me take instruction from my client. Let's keep it next week anyway. I will not stand.
My lord, this is the question of the jurisdiction of the
Let me
question.
take instruction.
Yes, last occasions I have been filed the to Supreme Court decision. This case is not material in the Honorable High Court.
Here my claim is not
Case
for.
is material for under in the Consumer Act, my lord. Then last time I have already filed the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, and one is of
Justice Padiwala judgment.
Yes,
You given me na?
Yeah.
That
No, now he has served with a copy
sir,
of the application.
let me to submission.
why are
Sir,
you so
he has-
hurry?
sir,
Our
he
it
has-
seems our case study गड़बड़ी अछि ना लेते हर के
Sir, actually he has concealed all the case.
जे बेसी हड़बड़ी
Let my friend file affidavit.
What affidavit? If court will be instructed me, then I will file the affidavit. Let me to
what is
submission-
that judgment? Can you tell me judgment?
Here, my
Judgment
claim
I
is
have
for
been-
non-repudiation of my claim. I made a
Sir,
claim application that was not decided. That is why I am before lordships.
Sir, is
And
the
now
case,
yes,
is the case of
supplied me copy of the
2021.
document saying that my claim was.
This is Justice Padiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra.
Sir.
That judgment? National Consumer Forum judgment. Mrs. Universal Sampo.
No, my lord. Another is I will be filed on.
दो नाम थे मतलब judgment.
CC color.
Judgment दे दो.
That copy I have already supplied on that.
अरे भाई supply.
And another copy I am just giving.
पर दियो तो पूरा कॉपी बोलते हैं. Message.
last occasion, your lordship already directed to, the matter was referred to the district consumer. But on his request, he has taken the time, then the case was listed today for the, he will be satisfied why this case will maintain in the Honorable High Court. The question is that the deceased was died by the motorcycle when he was riding the motorcycle. And another offending truck was dashed against the motorcycle. After that, he has claimed that personal PA cover. But he has not filed directly to the consumer forum. Directly, he has filed the Honorable High Court. That file.
My claim was not
Yes,
repudiated.
I have
Just a minute,
completed.
sir, why are you just stopping?
The
Just-
case is the
he is trying to explain
yes,
now.
sir, the case is 2021, but he has intimate to the insurance company. Then insurance company, our company has served his letter to kindly produce these are the documents. Which the documents? That document.
First of all, anything. First of all,
after this, sir, he has not filed.
When you are complaining the deficiency of service, you should have approached the insurance
Here, my claim was, I'll claim.
Just answer my question,
Yes,
sir. Why didn't you approach the district consumer forum?
I'm a 52 years old lady.
So how does it matter 52 or 58-year-old lady?
Claim the rejected matter.
52 is not very old.
Yes, I'm simply asking. The more claim the repudiate, claim the repudiate who. That is what my
Then
principle.
why High Court? That should be, you should have approached the district court.
I'm not coming within the purview of consumer matter. Section 2 of the CPA Act.
Why?
Yes.
Why you are not consumer? What are you saying?
You'll also keep it next to.
What are you saying? Why consumer insurance, a person who is having insurance, I mean, what your insurance is not consumer.
No, to that effect.
Who told you?
Because
Which have you seen this act? Where is it?
Yes, I have
Say that it's not consumer.
Sir, I have filed the honorable judgment of the Dr. B.S. Chauhan judgment.
I know, sir. I know that.
Sir,
now my lauded friend has supplied me the copy
Don't say
saying that.
things. I'm asking you.
Yes.
How you are not a consumer? I explain.
I will examine. I will
When will
approach
you
this
examine
court.
them?
One more thing. Now, just now, my friend submitted a copy of the application saying that your claim has been. There is no claim because in the letter they have stated on 2 occasions I have been directed to submit certain documents. Due to non-submission of document, my claim was that was.
Why are you not submitting the document?
In fact, I have submitted my law. To that effect, by affidavit, I will submit the same before lordships.
But after how many days?
I have submitted all the documents.
After how many days?
I have submitted entire document.
I am saying after how many
next week or 10 days after.
After how many days you submitted, sir? After how many days of the
I
incident?
have submitted.
You are not answering my question.
Yes, my lord.
After how many days of the incident you submitted the document?
Yes, yes, coming.
Kebe?
Yes, I am coming, madam.
Am I coming?
Lordship
I'm
C,
asking.
yes, Lordship C, madam. 2/3/2021, it has submitted, madam.
When was the accident? I mean, when did the accident take place?
Yes, I am coming.
When?
Lordship death certificate 19/11/2020.
20. After
Yes.
1 year you submitted.
Thereafter, Lordship C.
After 1 year you submitted.
No, my lord, within time I have submitted.
Within how many days?
There in format that SDFC Ergo, Annex 3, page 14.
I am asking you to answer my question.
I am coming.
After how many days of the death you submitted or the accident? you
Whatever
submitted?
document submitted to me from it reveals that on 2/3/2021, he along with that claimant information.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର accident କେବେ ହେଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Accident on the
16/20
2020.
କେବେ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ତ କୁହନ୍ତୁ 2020 ମାନେ ଏଣ୍ଟର ଇୟର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଥିଲା
Claim number.
କେବେ?
Yes, madam.
कुछ भी तैयार करके आते नहीं हो जो भी यहाँ पे ढूंढ के कम से कम फ्रंट पेज रे तो लिखि दियंतु कोड कोन हेदिरा मिनिमम एक्सीडेंट के बेला डेथ के बेला अप्लाई के बेला तीनटा डेट लिखन
Yes, yes, madam. I have given, my lord.
खाली एसएस करते कहंतु
आपण सिनोप्सिस लिस्ट ऑफ डेट
देखि देखिबिनी आपण मते कहंतु फास्ट
डेट ऑफ एक्सीडेंट
मो खाली केबे एक्सीडेंट
16/11/2020.
16/11/2020
Yes.
आपण अप्लाई केबे कले
2/3/2021 within 3 months.
2021 आपण टाइम केते दिन भीतर अप्लाई करिया था?
There is no stipulation, madam.
No stipulation?
No.
Sir, yes.
Okay.
Sir, it is, they have to file
Then,
within 7 days.
Huh?
Within 7 days.
Yes, as per their policy term and conditions.
policy रे कोड लगा जी 7 days रे करियो बोली देखा तू
To
policy रे कोड लगा जी
he has to file.
आपण देखांतु policy रे where does it say that it has to be filed within 7 days?
Sir,
देखांतु
sir ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ word ଟା କହି ଦଉଛି actually sir
सर मत जो क्वेश्चन पचारे से क्वेश्चन आंसर रे आडू बुलेबी नि राउंड राउंड करी मु पचार छी policy रे को
receiving of the
मु पचार छी policy रे कोठी 7 days लिखा जी देखांतु हां एटा न देखि रियाडे से खाली पूछ
नहीं sir after receiving of the
मो आंसर हम मिलेलानी मते 7 days कोड लिखा है देखो तो
Policy copy ଅଛି sir ଟିକେ ଦଉଛି। ତ ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି ତାକୁ ଟିକେ submission ଗୋଟେ ବାଟ
एबे अब मोर जो आंसर सर दियंतु आपरा
सर ମୁଁ ଏ policy copy ଟା ଟିକେ ଦଉଛି sir ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ।
कॉपी मागिली
ଅଛି ଅଛି sir।
पचाली आपण 7
ଅଛି
days
ଅଛି
कोड
sir ଏଠି ଅଛି।
पढନ୍ତୁ आपण
ମୁଁ
कोड
କହିଦଉଛି sir। Where is the brought to the notice of the company that vehicle insured which is not a new vehicle but shown as a new vehicle which modified intention for total loss of such vehicle would not be admissible if there is a gap of more than 10 days from
More
the
than
date of invoice of the vehicle and the proposal date. Sir, if you will be intimate,
रोहंतु टिके सेटा कोन से जो आंसर में पचाली तार आंसर आइला
10 days ଭିତରେ ସେଟା ରହୁଛି।
बिल्कुल नहीं आपण केंद्र ना ना पढନ୍ତୁ बोल
ମୁଁ ଦେବି sir ସେଟା
पढନ୍ତୁ आपण
sir ଟିକେ ଏଇଟା clear fight ଟିକେ ଦେଖା ଯାଉନି ବୋଲି difficult to find out the exact point sir।
दे दियो ये पढिबे दे दे
ତାପରେ sir
दियो अरे नियंतु जब काचरे पढନ୍ତୁ दियो
ନାଇଁ sir ମୁଁ ଦେବି
ନାଇଁ ନେବେ ପଢିବେ
without
ଆପଣ
clarifying,
ପଢିବେ
I
ଆଉ
will-
ଏମିତି କ୍ଲିୟର ଦେଖାଇଲେ କହିଲେ
ମୁଁ
ହବ
sir ଦେଖିଦେବି
ହଁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
ଅଛି policy sir 10 days 7 days ଅଛି।
पूरा सेंटेंस पूरा पढନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଅଧା ତତ୍ତ୍ୱରେ ପଢିଲା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଣ ସେ 10 days ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ ତାର ସେଟା ତା ଆଗରେ ପଛରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖୁ ନା
ନା sir ସେଟା
ଆଉ ପଢନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଲେଖିଛି ସେଠି
policy ର ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଛୋଟ
ତ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି ମ
ଅଛି ଅଛି।
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ପଢିଦେବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଏଇଟା ପଢି ହଉନି।
ଆଉ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ବିନା କାଚରେ ପଢିଦେବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କ୍ଲିୟର ନାହିଁ ମତେ
ସେ ମୋଡ଼ିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଖୋଜିବି ବସିକି ହଁ ମତେ ଦରକାର दस 10 days कोड लिखा है
sir sir ଅଛି second page
बिल्कुल नहीं
second page ଅଛି sir ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ପଢିଲି
सर लिखा है नहीं आपण अलगा जिंस पढिचंती
ନାଇଁ sir ମାନେ
एक्सीडेंट रो केते दिन भीतर जणे इन्फॉर्म करिवो सेटा पचारुची मु
sir accident
आपण से इनवॉइस कोन पढुचंती
sir ये claim reputed ଯେତେବେଳେ ହୁଏ sir after the within 7 days from the receipt of the intimation of the accident
सर कोडी लिखा है से जिंसटा कोड लिखा है तो कुछ लिखा है नहीं सेंती
second page ଅଛି ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ପଢିଲି 10 days
सर किछि की पढि देबी पढि जहां ता पढि देबी जंतु एटा आप पढि के आसंतु भलो दिन
sir ଅଛି
खाली कहि के 10 days कर देले हो ठीक है
sir ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ clause ଅଛି within 15 days ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ clause ଅଛି within 15 days
सर आपण एटा पढंती एंती कहि देंती ना
sir ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି sir
टिके रहंतु मो कथा सुनंतु एटा कोन बोल लिखि जी एटा लिखिला आफ्टर एटा लिखिला कोन एट HDFC Ergo we assure best in class service to our valuable customer hear me ध्यान देके सुनंतु
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir
however if you wish to share any feedback complaint on your response please feel free to get in touch with us call our 24/7 service, blah, blah, blah. Escalation level. For lack of response or if response provided does not meet your expectation, ये तो customer care
Sir, within 7 days, sir, within the 7 days, sir, kindly be.
ना मते आने की देखो
Sir, दुईटा वाला दे दो, sir. Kindly be, sir, kindly be take.
मते दरकार छटा जोटे दरकार customer service किसे बारे आने की दे दो चुदी
Sir, mo दुईटा वाला दे दी, sir. Mo within 7 days जोटे आचे, sir, I will produce that document.
कम से कम को जति गुडे document कोन थाए क्लॉज तो पड़ी के आसंतु
Sir, 7 days टा common से भी जानी चाहिए ताकि information literacy भी दिया, sir.
मु जानि मते आपण जानतु
Sir,
I have not done.
kindly be taken 2 p.m. sir. 2 p.m.
2 p.m. करो
No, madam. Sir, 2 p.m.
Let me place one thing, my lord. से तो कहबे तू आपण कोन असुविधा है से तो गुड बुझवा जाय
I have put a number of matter. I had before Chief Justice put at 2.1 on the matter.
आपण जानतु ना कि मना करछि
Your Lordship, see,
not record
yes, let me place one thing, my lord.
मु जाननी
I let me place one thing.
nothing मो कथा सुन से बुझाइबा को चाहूँ से बुझंतु से
Let him. I may not be there.
एक हां we may not be there.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
One thing is just my friend handed over a copy of the document. It was issued on 24th February 2021, saying that due to non-submission of documents, my claim was not rejected. No claim they have stated.
तो आपण सबमिट
So that is what I want to take instruction by affidavit. मु देबी सेटा.
आपण सबमिट करछन कोड देखि म देखन.
आया.
एफिडेविट सब तो बेसी मिछ कहा जाय बोली.
Affidavit काई पार्टी लिया से तो भाई.
एफिडेविट रे कहा होय. आपण जानिया कथा.
Sir, after his receiving
Annex 3, Your Lordship, page 14. Page 14, page 16, 17. Your Lordship, page 15. That the claim application for it insurance title. Insurance policy. Then you also page 16, Annex 4. Annex 4. Page 14 and page 16, Annex 4. Claimant information insured or nominee only insured is expired. Here then page 17. I have submitted claimant statement. Let so and so. Policy number given in detail. It was submitted 18/12/2003. Another document after being noticed that there is discrepancy with regard to non-submission documents. I have submitted once again.
First time submit कर देखते तार कॉपी देखो. प्रथम तरह जोड़ दे. डाटा कोड देखो.
First time Annex 4 page 6. Annex 4 page 16.
Annex 4.
The claimant information of
21.
Yeah.
देखते आपनकर ये फर्स्ट
Sir, he has intimated to our insurance company regarding the accident. After that, we have registered one claim note, claim number. After that, we have intimated him to kindly produce these are the documents. On that the letter dated February of. Sir, एक
आपण गुटे कथा कोन
सर एक एक
प्रीमियम नेला वाला त नै जोछन देला वाला काई एते
असुविधा किछ नै सर जोटा से कहउछन
आपण गुटे काम करन एबे से देछन आपण दे
Sir, 3 times we have already requested them kindly produce your documents.
एबे मो रिक्वेस्ट करछि आपण नै के दे दियंतु
सर ये डॉक्यूमेंट से देलेनी सेते बडे तापर रेपुटेड ही गला
एबे देले
claim is repudiated but he is submitting that claim is not repudiated
तो आपण
kindly be directed एक कथा से कहउछन सर
आपण दे दियंतु
claim टा already reputed आगु ही जाइछि
मो कथा
सर से सेटा को से रंग सबमिशन करतंती
मो कहली आपण डॉक्यूमेंट नै के एबे दियंतु आपण मो कहछि आपण दियंतु
सर आउ जो डॉक्यूमेंट गुडा छै इता
सब डॉक्यूमेंट से काली
सर कमिंग अंडर द consumer protection act sir
छाड़न हाई कोर्ट द पावर टू ओवरराइड द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन कोड
तो से लाइट को डिसीजन भी देछि
वो छाड़न मो डिसीजन मानी भी कोन करी
थर्ड पार्टी ऑलरेडी ही जो फाइल ही आगोटे थर्ड पार्टी भी से क्लेम करचंती तापर कथा सर ए जो
आपण पैसा देबे ना नै कोन मोरे आपण क्लेम तार देबे ना नै
सर ए जो
न देबे वाला आपण मैनेजर को डाकबी
कंडीशन इज नॉट ही इज नॉट फुलफिल हिज द कंडीशंस
व्हाट इज द फुलफिलिंग सर डॉक्यूमेंट देबे कहली
सर डॉक्यूमेंट जो कंडीशन
आपण बुझंती नि को भाषा रे कहबी सर प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड आई एम स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश नाउ ओडिया बुझथन ना आपण सर प्लीज एक्सेप्ट व्हाटएवर डॉक्यूमेंट इज गिविंग he will give every document tomorrow each and every document whatever required he will give it and you accept it okay that is the best thing and don't say all the forum shopping consumer even high court can also decide high court can decide what is the problem I'm saying you just get all the documents आपण काली दियंतु सब
काली on that is Rahul Kala within 7 days time given so that
ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ
dispose of.
Sir,
ନାଇଁ
if
dispose of ନା dispose of
if matter is coming under the
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Consumer
matter
Protection
ଯାହା
Act.
under January
Sir, after 15.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ 27 next date January 27.
Sir, on that I will also file the counter, sir.
You file whatever you want to file, but this is my order. You have to follow this.
Copy, sir.
Look,
Copy, sir, I have filing the copy of
ଲୋକ
the.
ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଇଏ କରେ ତାର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଜଷ୍ଟ somebody die ତାକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏକଦମ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ପୁରା ଘୁମଉଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ କିଛି
ବିଲକୁଲ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କାଉନସିଲ ବେଶୀ ବୁଲଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ବଳିଗଲେଣି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ସବୁ ଏମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତା କାଉନସିଲ ମାନେ ବି ଏମିତି
କୋଉଟା ଅସୁବିଧା ହୁଏନି
ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ତ କଣ ଫଟାଫଟ ମାନୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ଏଥିରେ କରିବା କଥା ସେଠି
ନଥିଙ୍ଗ
ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଠି କିଛି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ନ କରିକି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
ବିଲକୁଲ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରି ଅସୁବିଧା କୋର୍ଟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ has power under 226 it can pass order ଆପଣ ସେ
Copy of the order.
Sir, I filed one copy of the that letter which is repudiated that.
ତାର କିଛି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କଲି ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଅଧିକା ରେପୁଟେସନ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁନି ଏମିତି ଯୋଉ ଏମିତି ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକରେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କନସିଡର ଗୋଟେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆଉଟ ଅଫ ଦି ୱେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବା କଥା ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଉଲ୍ଟା ଏଇ ଯେଟା ସିଏ ହେଲା
ୱାଇଜ ବେନିଫିଟ ସାର୍ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଥାର୍ଡ ଅଫେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଭେହିକଲ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ପିଏ କଭର ନଉଛନ୍ତି ପିଏ କଭର କଣ୍ଡିସନ
ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ପାଇଲେଣି
ହଁ ସାର୍ ସିଏ ପୋଲିସ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଥାର୍ଡ ପାର୍ଟି ଅଫେଣ୍ଡିଂ
ଆପଣ ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲି
ପୋଲିସ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍
ସିଏ ପାଇଲେ କି ନାଇଁ ସେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
So he has that claim has been pending, sir.
ପାଇଲେ କେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ବହୁତ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜିଂ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ ଆଉ କିଏ ଅଛି କି କାଉନସିଲ let the other council come you are always confusing me କେତେବେଳେ କଣ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି କେତେବେଳେ କହିଲେ ଏଇଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
sir ସେ ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ କୁ
ନା ଆପଣ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଏବେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆସିବ ନା ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କୋଉଠି ଏଟା ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼ let the on the next date of listing if
sir motorcycle
nothing doing nothing ମୁଁ କିଏ କାହାକୁ ବାଡେଇଲା I am list once brother
this person was
nothing doing
to get the claim against the truck sir my prayer is this he has to file another claim case against the insurance company which motorcycle was insured
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବି ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ସୋପାରା
ସେଟା sir pending ଅଛି sir again he has filed the
pending କାହିଁକି ରହିବ ଏତେ
MSCT case ଟା pending ରହିଛି sir ସେ କହିପାରିବେ ସେଟା he can say that sir my prayer is that the this is what died by
ଆପଣ ପୁରା
ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବି କହୁଛି sir ସେ ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ଟାକୁ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଟା
ଆପଣ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ
ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟ
I was also continuing as standing counsel at that relevant point of time.
Fine, no
But
problem.
the government was not, government did not grant issue any order for filing of the case by the BO through the standing counsel. However, that
when it is privately to be filed, it has to be in his name, not as a BO. Sir, this is minimum
yes.
minimum thing.
That's why I'm saying that amendment, I will file for amendment.
File an amendment.
Yes.
As a person.
Yes.
Suppose Ramachandra Maji is a person, not as a BO.
I will file it. I will get it amended, and the interim order also not no name is mentioned.
I am not bothered about interim or whatever I say. The procedure you have to follow, us.
Yes.
The common order challenged by my non-friend through BO, and the government has also filed another writ petition that has been tagged. The BDO has also filed same order, filed two writ petitions.
How can BDO as a person can file?
BDO has filed since the BDO is
no, he can't. As a person, he can, of course.
And BDO filed through government. The another writ petition.
So let it be tagged together. You just
that is in the list, my lord.
It is
the list. Both the matter tagged together.
But you want to file that?
I want to file the amendment because
the personal the personal
Rohantu. Yeah. 62 amend the cost type by filing IA. Let the IA be filed within 3 days from today. List the matter on 18 as
18. interim order.
Interim order.
I move that.
Next.
37,000
Sir, ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିୟର ତ ଫଲୋ କରିବେ ନା 75,000 ହଉ କି 5 ଟଙ୍କା ହଉ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିୟର ଇଜ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିୟର ତାହେଲେ କୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଆସିଲେ 75,000 କୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ ତ ଚୁପଚାପ ରହିଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଘରେ କାହିଁ ଆସିଲେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିୟର ଫର 5 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଁ ସେମ୍ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିୟର 75,000 ବି ସେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିୟର
Item number 1.
Item number 1.
Item number 1. Because I was present from the beginning, but due to internet problem, I could not submit.
One कौन वाला one है January 17 लगी थी कौन वाला आपने कौन दो what is the issue
This is the revision is filed against the rejection of a petition under section 227.
और issue कौन दो मैं इतने आप petition सेट को अपन नहीं खाली मतलब what is the issue कौन दो
discharge 304 306 304
कौन पाई what is the ground
because there is no allegation at all that soon before the death of the victim, she was tortured mentally and physically in connection with the dowry. So also there is no allegation at all under section 306 of IPC. In this case, prior to initiation of the institution of this case, one UD case was filed on the date of death, and all that was inquired in presence of the parents of the victim, also the villagers and the Tohsildar. They have categorically stated that on the day while the husband and her in-laws were to jungle to collect a mahua flower, and at about 9 to 10 a.m. morning, while the victim was cooking food and the stove, kerosene stove was brushed, and for which and the victim,
whoever died then the stove gets burst
brushed, and he was cooking from inside by looking, and the villagers reached there, and they
that requires a proper trial that can't be scuttled at this moment
even if I am to draw your kind
that requires a proper trial will unveil the truth
if he affair, and after 7 days,
sorry I'm rejecting
the father of the file is the send the affair through registered person with a copy to SP Dhenkanal, DIG Tajir, and also DG. That's why that was registered. And if he
so what registered he has the right to do that
exit one, and the statement of both the informant and wife, there is no case under section 304B as well, there is no allegation. Hence, my humble submission keeping final decision.
Okay, issue notice. I'll issue notice.
At least they may kindly be passed.
The state the only party, na? Who is the opposite party? Informant ki?
Informant is Sarveshwar Bhoi, the father of the deceased.
So, but you have not just made him party here. Make the informant also a party.
Shall my lord, I shall in the meanwhile I shall
in revision we have to make him party. We have to hear him also.
I shall make him the party in this case, but at least for keeping the final decision disposal of the case and stay or may kindly pass.
Sorry, sir. I don't want to just unnecessary you file anything you like and just we want the stay there. No, we don't want the trial to be unnecessary stayed.
My lord, the
nothing, sir.
Statement as well as the affair, there is no at all.
We are not passing any order to stay the trial court proceedings. So sorry, trial court proceeding will go on. That can't be that can't be stayed. Let issue notice. You just do one thing. You file an implement application for the informant also.
Sir, if the hearing will be started and it will be infectious, at least stay order.
And let it be what to do.
At least
This matter? No. I'm not passing any such order. The trial should not be obstructed like this.
There is no
Any person wants to just scuttle the trial, come High Court with a petition, criminal division file kar de, bas ho gaya.
no case under section 304B is attached.
Maybe that is, that is this High Court can't decide that. That should be first you, well, if there is no, what is the order? No. Oh, sorry, this is the.
Only basing on witness of the
You implead my party, you will see that. First implead the party. It is not to implead the informant of the party. 2, next item. Yes. 37.
May it please, your lordship. In this case, the petitioner's application for appointment pursuant to his name appearing in the corrected merit list has been rejected, my lord. My lord, the facts of the case are also that in the year 2011, a advertisement was published by the Department of by the district education officer that for appointment of Shiksha Sahayaks. The pursuant to that, the petitioner applied and 142 participants had applied. The merit list was prepared. The merit list was published the next year. However, the name of the petitioner was not there in the merit list. The petitioner challenged the merit list before this honorable court. This honorable court in the year 2020 dismissed, quashed the merit list because it was above 50% reservation was granted in the said merit list. And after directed for preparation of a fresh merit list. In the fresh merit list, the petitioner's name appears in the fresh merit list. Pursuant to the name appearing in the fresh merit list, petitioner made an application for his appointment with seniority. The opposite parties, they went on to dismiss 6 persons who were initially in the merit list, in the erroneous merit list, but subsequently after the preparation of the correct merit list.
No, it's a dismissed, it's excluded.
They were
not dismissed, in fact, they were excluded.
No, they were in service.
Yeah, redraw hela na. When the merit list is redrawn, then naturally they're somewhere excluded.
That has not been acted upon. Say that revised merit list, what you see, that has not been acted upon. Connected rate that should be hard merit. Say that
that is a problem. Second matter to take up.
Okay, second answer. Chabilata Sau.
Again.
Again.
And there was an advertisement for appointment on 8/12/2011. And after
come to the point. Point is that the government has exceeded the 50% limit. Cinema देखला नहीं ना? Kid है? Kid है? कौन क्या करना? Kid है? कौन है? Who is that nonsense? Close